Ready? You can please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. I'ma feel like I'm gonna do it again, you know. You can please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Yeah, yeah, you hear me? Message. But guess what now? This one is called check in. That one I call big up. That one I call thank you for the support. That one I name. You know, I just appreciate, the day one supporters, you know what I mean, the ones that just a check on and so forth, I really appreciate, you know what I mean? So this is a big up, you know what I mean, separate from my making you know what I want. This is episode 1, 2, 3 of Love You to Death at the same place. So I just want to put it there so you can see it, make it run, because now I'm going to shoot and I'm going to everything, you know what I mean? So now I understand what I want. So who not watch it yet? Watch it now and have a like a smooth sail if you watch it from 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? So guess what now? As we say again, thanks everybody for support the movement. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the comment. Thanks for the share. Just me thank you. I don't know how to thank you again. Alright? So I don't know themselves, the ones that must sponsor the movies them. You know what I mean? Big up VM Film, big up Pinky Film, big up America TV, big up Bulby 101. You know what I mean? Laughing is a must. You know what thing go. Big up Amanda. I big up my whole crew. I'm never new member, jump on my crew. So now let's see. When I ask her who, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, me chat too much. Me know. So I'm gonna stop right now. Watch it, share it, thanks for the support. Alright? Oh.
To subscribers, to subscribe,
To every key, there's a lock. To every bird, there's a flock. To every boy, there's a perfect girl. To every wolf, there's a pack, and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold. To every bomber, there's a bee. Trouble look for me, that's my philosophy. To every girl there is a move, there brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. To every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, So every bumble there's a bee.
Today I Sunday, so I'm just like, go and relax.
Yeah, because
Since I've done every chore and something, you know?
then everything one ship thing or something.
Yeah, be send one can in and was honestly the man and them.
That's true. That I see that's we have wife. You understand? Wife material. What did you hear this morning?
Yeah, this morning me get the cane one night.
So which family then? Sleep so deep?
I must be tired, you know, because I say. Because something go on last night, so you have to tell it.
A little you say?
Alright, holy
for something. Chocolate. Hagani. Yeah, rough. where you are going, I tell you this, I appreciate you.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no one like you. I tell you that. But me have to thank you for choosing me to be that one for, marry you and something. We're in there.
Oh, maybe tell you, I see a while ago.
Yeah.
Look washing.
Oh.
Remember
Yes.
say white
Actually.
clothes, I mean, I wash them in the washing machine, so me take it out. Me soon put on the back door.
Okay. Yeah, so, me still not really like a ring thing. You understand? Because ring is really my thing. So when I buy a ring for me, I appreciate it, But it's like, me as I hook up it on my pants, and me, cut myself, and something I don't really like it, but the in there still. Right?
No, we see it. But try whenever you go to need to put it on.
No, listen, I'm not going to church and put it on.
Yeah, different if I'm church and where you go, you must put it on.
You hear, man, but I'm telling you, it kind of hamper me sometimes. Even sometimes I have a phone, crap up the phone, until I'm have no screen protector and stuff, and say crap up it. So there's a lot of things why I'm telling you.
Yeah, I understand.
It just always looks so
You
good.
see, thank you. You see, remember the something we order? They say come.
You come?
Yeah.
What you mean, man? So order some more stuff because some love clothes now.
Alright, I'm not finishing my order, so.
I ordered the screen protector for my iPhone.
Alright.
I need it badly and so forth. But I say everything
But-
good, man.
But what you have to know be, you have to go up on the road.
Construction work site, I have a try so we can organize it. I don't know, sir. This is a boy when I like when we give people things to do. And then I do it the way I want them to do it. So it kind of bother me sometimes when, the man them I use have too much cement. I have to mix it with proportion. Everything, is a detailed thing you have to do it by. I guess, if you use 5 bags of cement, I ain't supposed to use 3.5. The cement go only, over, is like over process.
True.
You understand what I say? And if them use like 1 barrel a stone to 1 bag of cement. Yeah, I mean, so there's a lot of things. Yeah. So that's that. So we have to organize it in that way.
Okay.
If you don't do that way, then a problem. You understand? So that's that. But apart from that, we're good, man. So I'm going to say we can deal with it, so we can start with our construction. That's all. And after that, then we're good to go. So what are you going to do otherwise?
Yes, I'm going to relax back.
Relax back?
I just make you understand.
Do it then. Do it because they love you enough. Love you alone. Nobody else. You hear me? Squeeze me now.
Yes, squeeze of you.
I love my baby. I love my baby. She's my only baby. Cause she never failed me. My baby. You don't want to sing for you. My baby.
Please stop.
My sugar baby.
Please stop. No,
You
you're
drive
giving
me
me
crazy.
You're giving butterflies.
Oh my God. So you have to get it. You give me more thing that me think, I'm telling you, I say, yo, being on pass, you feel special to me, babe. You're a very special person. I would say that.
I know, right? I'm that girl.
I know, baby. So thank you for choosing me. Like you said before. I'm not stop saying.
Every time be, you have to know myself, be. I always are telling me this.
I have to tell
You know,
you.
this, I appreciate it.
No, but guess what, babe. You see, the man always say, when people are doing good, tell them. When people are special, tell them. The way till them pass and gone. When you forget to me, I say.
Man, that's somewhere else.
So that's the man for do it every day. Wait till I come home. I go do it some more. And some more. And more. No, baby. I'm back in now. My
Right.
baby.
Careful, right?
Yes, baby. I'm very careful. Yeah. Very, very careful. No, I leave with my
I don't
phone.
know how Jack did.
No, man. No, you ain't got it. You know what I mean? And then get some off. I forget to tell him. I can't have so we have to take one for me, man. We can't even start out here and tell me how much it will cost. I'm free that now, I'm not lying. Hopefully not tell me a big price. But I know say if you tell me a big price, you have to take care of certain ways. I'm not going to say. Thanks, yeah? My sugar baby, I love my baby.
Love you.
Love you, baby. I like to go in here?
Yeah.
Alright.
What would I do without you? salon. Take it off from me, man. Where the salon? I'm going to spend this out with you.
Oh, it's a saucy.
Where you there, salon?
Can't hug you from behind.
No, no, but I hug me up because you're there, your girl yard, your wife yard. Come you want to know something. To me one, you know. At 6 years now, you have to me say you're going to left the girl. When you going to left the girl? Yeah, man. That will love me, man. Look how long me out this away from you. Come like you not even love me again now. Oh.
Listen to me, I love you. Stop going like me, I love you. You never love me when I come right now. You know what I'm telling you? I said a while ago. I tell you, I have some construction site to deal with. Come here, go. Am I your wife?
Hey, look like you just am your wife. Because you all stink our cologne. And you know, so they come on my door like when they smell like woman smell for you. Can smell it?
Want to take off a shot?
That what that difference I got do? Are you just hug her up and kiss her? Are you want to come hug up me and kiss me now?
Come kiss her.
Leave me alone, man. Wait, look, number one. What is going on? I'm tired. I'm sick and tired of this.
Listen. You make it seem like you don't understand the circumstances that are going on. Remember, say she take care of you. If she out of picture, we dead for hungry. Because we're not ready for settle upon work yet. Look how we enjoy our time. We have more time for anything else in this world. Come and make it you here. All this in your ears.
How would you not spend time with me?
What do you mean? So what do you must spend time with me, spend more time with you than she. What are you talking about?
Feel like I can't take it no more. A long time where I do this, you know?
Babe, everything will alright. You understand what I say? I love my baby.
At 6 years, you tell me that.
My only baby. You never fail me.
Anyway, mom to the money for buy the car.
Listen to me. I ask about car. Mama promised me, say she will take care of all the car and mash up. And you go try to say me can. I love a car that's still in the old car there.
Me girl, wait till me do that old car there. Me want a new car. I eat me a talk about. You tell me about mama.
Why you make so much demands? And you know what I'm going already. What make you not go look at work? And sick of yourself and you can't take care of me.
What you say?
You mean so me say?
You're mad. You remember when you did look me, I'm ask if you're financially stable to take care of me. And you tell me to not worry yourself. Because the woman you're married to have money. So you can't take care of me. So you're going to tell me about go look work for the door. Okay, and I make me get ignorant. You know, them something you always make me get ignorant, you know. Me no want you not buy no old car. When you're going to buy me the car, I'm telling you something I need.
You realize me I look for you? Look back for me I talk to you now. I'm mad, you're mad. You know, sister, everything take time, girl. Everything you want, you get. And you now walk feet. Me understand, see how walk feet. But you can't understand the situation what we're in. Because you're in it already. And you say you love me, you know. You say you need me, you know. Me need you too. This is the same way. Look for me I talk to you, know.
Me need things too. Me need things. Me need a car.
That can come with time, but guess what now? If mama go buy me a car now, and see a night certain way, he go pull out tight.
Pull out who?
You mean?
I can't understand, you don't know who you're doing. Pull out who?
So what you say to me now? How can we work this out?
Can't work out because I need a car. And if you don't buy it, somebody else can buy it. So you choose what you want
somebody
to do.
Somebody else can buy it? So go on then now.
No.
Go on, go do it then for that you say. You keep on trick me like say, every time you say it, then me say, yo, low me, don't call my phone, and you are calling my phone and pest me.
Me?
You mean? Now you say you want baby,
I must have junk when I tell you that.
So, what you gonna do? Send it back? You planning to send back the baby or not? Man, you take
Remember, can't give a baby, you know,
US
adoption.
Adoption.
You may talk foolish, because I can't bother.
Adoption.
Remember your wife can't breathe, you know. Oh.
You tell us don't go there. Yo, make love go there, so. So, yo, boy.
That's something get everything what I want.
Even though you have to just go on like say, you know, work with the system, work with the program now.
May I get tired of the program and system.
You get tired of the program. Alright, you know. Don't call me on my phone.
No problem.
Simple as that. Yeah.
I remember say this can still dash way.
What can dash
so
way?
So I have no problem. What do you mean what can dash way?
What can dash way? What can dash way? What can dash way?
This can dash way now.
Yo, I'm tell you this. You see I go on like say, yo, you so, know me?
Let
me say hold on. You laugh.
You laugh. So where you gonna do? Kill me?
It means I kill you. I not kill you. You know what you want to know. You know what you need.
I want some money. And I want a car. I'm tired for one. What's baby I come? Baby, I come in now. What you expect me to do? Walk and I take taxi same way?
Yo, you see you? You have to know what you want. Because you pressure me right now to go do what? What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Tell the woman say you need a car. No, she fi take care of we. Now you say she got to take care of we. So never say no, you ask me what you fi go do. If you can't take care of you, left for and find somebody else to take care of we.
You see you? You see you?
You see me with
You
what?
see you? That's
With
all
what?
you do, create problem. Now I come and say have a good time with you. See? For me, you wine and dine and look on the ocean. Soon sunset.
You
Eh?
find that right about now. Me never feel good.
You mean you feel good, don't you?
I don't feel good. I feel for man, I feel dizzy. That's why I tell you I need a car.
So because you're dizzy, yo.
Yeah, I need a little
Alright.
car for go up and grab me a boat and up. Cause me I got a clink and then something that me not tell a taxi more car for go bring.
Your cousin still
to
in a yard?
drive got a clink.
Your cousin in yard?
Yeah.
Call her and tell her she come on. Come on, something right now, man. Tell you.
My
Honey
cousin,
feel, man. Honey
I
feel.
forgot come out.
Yes, because you mean say
You
if
could
I come
go
on, so what you
for
want?
your wife. Your wife not gonna work.
I don't tell her say she have day off. Or today I day off. That's why I have to meet you.
You can't say I go somewhere. Tell her say I said I got a market. Go buy something to the house.
What I'm saying? So you want me to go, and then she gonna catch me? For 6 years we have
Them no
one organized,
business.
and you stop wanna get no sense now?
You could like some business about your wife. Me no business about your wife. I'm really not give a shit about your wife. Me no business about her. She can breed. Can she breed?
You're going back on that again? Yo, come, ready.
What me here for?
Let me say me I go down here, call your cousin. Take your phone and call your cousin. Call your cousin and tell him.
Me
say
not call. Me not call.
Call your cousin and
So
tell him.
that
say-
here for him go to the house. Him not gone now and him not go nowhere. Him woman a come check him today. She's supposed to down there already.
What you have on? You have on panty?
Something next house
You
where
wear
you
panty
have.
today? You wear panty
My
today?
me's a baby mother now. He said me the careless back then. Me can't bother careless again. Me have to wear me. Me not going to know. See, come and feel the vice to go and see. If we have a car, the car could have work.
So car, and you happy?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna talk to her about that then. Just relax some yo, something.
No, I'm in a mood. Tell me something in a mood. I'm just not in a mood.
I see you always say when we started, you know I'm a top. Come in, man. Don't force this, man.
Tomorrow, man.
Let me say,
Chop box, I tell
look at the
you.
shoes, man. Crocodile water. See?
Me say, you see, any you owe me, I get 3 months. 3 months me I get for get that car.
Take off your clothes down, stop tell you chat too much, man.
I see you when I'm going.
Let me see. Take off your.
Nah, take off my clothes, I'm going.
Alright, come in.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Okay.
You giving me
Enjoy the app.
Yeah. You know what, so.
You know that, baby.
Alright.
Alright. Something.
Yes, that's so.
Listen.
Like, you got beach?
No matter if I go beach, but I go see, yes, because I have to check out.
Yes, yeah, beach.
Yeah, because you know, when I work on a construction site, it's like say the thing I call it now, the sun run out. So if I get a truck, them I'm going to see and say we can dig out some of my sand and carry down my place, because you know, them always say it's a sea sand better for use, especially if you fix certain things, you know.
Oh, understand.
So what's the day? Talk to me what you doing.
My day went good. Me sleep and me just get up back.
That's all you have to do, is rest off and thing. But people want to talk about something, you know. A taxi me take, babe, and taxi thing not work for me. A man like me if you take taxi is not a good vibe. So let me pop down. You understand?
Don't worry yourself, be something in process for you. Yes, you know, you don't have to worry yourself. Yes.
I love that. Oh my God, today was so hard. I do some work. Babe, I use a hammer.
I'm gonna have a fresh. As your food. I don't know if I really feel maybe eat something like that.
You cook?
Yeah, your food and I microwave, so
Alright, babe, me tell you this. See? You see, even if you start the food today, you're not gonna make it sound like me have a problem. Because I understand saying I really love the kitchen that much. So for you cook, that means that you really have show effort and I appreciate it. Yeah? You love it, you know?
Love me too.
Alright, you know. Sometimes I just think, boy, I'm just get so happy. Light up.
Well,
Mosquito bite you?
yeah.
You might go with a bit like that.
I never put on a mosquito repellent. So, woo, that's right.
Yes, yeah, boy. Bust him again, bust him again. Boy!
Go on my bed.
You be early? Or you be after? You be later?
Yeah, my bed later.
Big one that you know. If that one bite you know, baby, it's set up like a blood pepper frog, you know, in fact,
I'll look on my red. On my bed.
Yeah?
Hello? Who is? Jessica. Oh. Oh! Something not going on, you know? Oh, are you the girl where work on a construction place? Oh. Alright, definitely. Me go tell him, say, we don't need him, I know. Alright. Babe!
Oh, I just start being now.
No, come here, come here.
May I come?
Jessica call.
Eh? Listen.
Jessica call.
Oh. I want you to say, I want you to say to him.
She has said something that go on in my workplace. And if you come, say they not run things good down there. So
Okay.
then if you come,
Let's go back on.
yeah. So here.
So, what's my phone on there?
You leave it right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back right now. I'll come back here.
Yeah.
So I come back, I can warm up the food for me. Yeah?
Yeah.
Where you right now?
Yeah, me alright.
So, she won't say anything else?
No, why she doesn't something?
No, I think them need
No, you
more.
worker.
Yeah, but I wonder if she need more than I side.
No, she just sound serious, like she has saying if you come right now because they not do the right thing down there, so. So.
That's how she said?
Yeah, that's how she.
Okay. I'm so she come.
That's how she said.
Stand on me, baby. Stand on me,
Who's it? You know the love? You know the love? Go on the way out of them, I wait for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it fast. But it's like sometimes I beside him, just feel that no, just come in and
why are you going so?
I said, just come in and you know, really want to go back out. That's what I'm talking about.
Just go on. Remember, say you're the boss, so you have to make sure so everything go good down there. So go on.
Right. Just no one left. That's a problem. But I'm left, yeah?
Yeah.
Simple. Right? Come on. You are my baby. You never fail me. Right? No, not feel right?
No.
Make sure. Love you, yeah?
I love you too.
I'm gonna go fast and come back. See me can maybe there's some hammer they want down there or sitting alone.
This one serious, like
So serious, that's true.
something that going on there, so.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, bye.
your phone. You mean you call me? You just left you a while ago, you just sort you out.
Yeah, so I miss you already. You know, so we would down at the beach, we just enjoy. I feel like I don't want more. That's what I call you.
But you can't make it seem like you can't understand the situation. Me just reach home, me just left you a while ago. Look how much time our son said.
Yeah, so I feel like you can't spend too much time with your wife, you know. I need you to spend more time with me.
You understand what I say? But you have to understand everything. We have to do it together. I mean, you together. I mean, you together. Remember
I think so. If me get around guys, she around guys. Me I'm pregnant now, no.
Yes, I understand that. But remember, say she take care of we. And if she not spend certain things, we get drugs. And you know, really there too far with the baby. You understand me? I say, so we can't mash up anything. You don't tell me to left her. You understand me? I say, but what's your son on the phone? And your son like you upset or something? I mean, I know all this one answer my phone. Answer my phone like a female on your phone. Even though she by the blinking phone, she answer my backside phone.
Yeah, tell her say she don't answer your phone.
I tell her that, babe. I tell her that already. I said, don't answer my phone. I bother up one time. Till when she walk, you know, yo, I tell her, come
you know, about she, about me, you know. More you come spend a good time. You can't sit down on the yard with me tonight.
No, baby, you can't do me that. Not tonight. I must say she work night shift, you know. So that's why I'm still on a fair yard, I can actually left and follow down there, so I pick her up in the morning. Remember that already? Just work the situation.
You don't know how this is going on. Remember, I need more attention now because I'm pregnant. So I'm going to need it for dead day. For sitting down in the night. What am I going to do?
I'm to your virgin.
In Ghana work.
Yeah, but yes.
Listen, him have a woman who must stay with now.
Alright. I talk to her about the car. Talk to her the car again, baby girl. Jesus Christ.
So soon get the car?
Just soon get the car, man. You know, she said she will surprise you and give you a nice car. I don't know what kind of car.
Babes, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry for me to get babe today. I'm in love with her. I don't want to lose it. That's why I tell me and babe. So I'm going to carry you. Babe take too long to come and listen, man.
Alright. You understand? I'm sorry too. Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll make it better, but we have to work with the system. You understand? We have to do what we have to do. Alright?
Alright.
Come on and sit
See, now I'm going to go down to the yard.
I don't really want people to see it as enough hide about.
So you can't have friends and say your woman watch and be?
No, I just don't want she see me and you and mark you. Because when you look at me sometimes, she go obviously know what I want. Or people go obviously know what I want. You understand? So we can't do that.
If you mind their business.
No, I'm looking at my yard. It's not moving so fast.
So you're going to stay with me tomorrow? They shall
No,
tomorrow night?
she not work tomorrow. She work next week. After tomorrow. Yeah?
So I'm here for wait to see you?
No, you don't see me. Woman like your style of construction side, yeah, listen, girl. Hey, Mr.
Yes.
Mr. Bombas, my baby, I learn.
Of course.
For you?
Yes, I'm going to learn coming on. You know, she catch on.
You go and go.
Oh, babes, you don't feel like saying she might have somebody else?
Yeah, nobody else. She want me, no. Me alone, she want.
What's so? I'm me alone want you. Nobody else don't want you. Let them trick you.
I'm sure.
Yeah, me alone want you. Nobody else don't want you. I true she don't want nobody else to get to make you so she want so. But anyway, we're gonna work with her because it's true she provide for me. If we just work with her.
You like her song. Say it again. Say it again. Turn me on right now.
Me I go home because you
more
right
right
because you turn her and can't do nothing because you have to go up to wife. But anyway, alright, take care. Tomorrow, me see you.
So never go up. So nobody watch about me and something watch your body.
No.
Yahufa.
Yes.
Yahufa.
Yahufa.
Ah, Jesus. That is it, baby.
Alright, baby, take care.
Love you.
And I'm about to do too much with that. Save little for me for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah?
Alright, baby.
Whoa!
say so?
Brother, me and brother, me and a friend. You talk
Yeah,
about
me
brother.
charge you, my brother like that,
What
man.
me do?
Go on.
Yeah, man. You see what you don't want water can give me. You heard me water give you.
I don't rain fall every day, no water, no girl no want
Then
water.
look thirsty, man. You want water now, man. You want grease up and oil up, man.
Be a joke this one, you know. My boyfriend just come.
Oh.
For me to know my boyfriend. Be for that.
Right, you say me like how to live as a gang. But differently now. If you mean it's a nigga, that you can't just come off for that now, but differently. I like how to live, you know. I saw me good, I want to live like I own, you know, but differently. And I tell you, every time I see you, hey, it's a jump, now my pants say, no tap jump.
Stop it.
It's a jump like a bunny, it's a jump like a bunny, rabbit, no tap jump.
Stop doing that. You know, so me and brother, nothing can run to it.
Which brother?
I mean, man, I love him. I always tell him, I'm a little man, I love, man. You know, so I'm pregnant.
From where?
No, me I tell you, I'm pregnant.
How long I feel like a belly bunny out here?
Which part? I'm 2 months pregnant.
Jesus Christ, I'm still young.
You're crazy.
Yo,
Mr. Man. I
see
don't want nobody but my man.
Stop
Stop it, man. You're me a friend. You're me a brother like that. But take me you're a reason about anything. Be yourself.
So the reason no go
No,
talk about the bird
I
and the
found
tree
one
and the
little
sea.
girl for you.
Eh?
I found a girl for you.
Boy, I do want to find you.
You know,
Eh?
they're foolish with you, my brother. Stop be foolish, the man. You know,
Every
so,
time
don't
I
know,
see
so
you,
me
I
have to
tell
look
you,
a man.
see boy, you know, you sitting there on the top jump here, there is a jump so like a body right, I tell you. You know, you give me problem. You give me enough problem,
you know,
you
me stop
know.
being
You give me
afraid of
headache,
myself,
you know,
yeah.
say you give me headache. Yeah, look
I'm
what
going to talk about something different. What go on with you today?
Today, I'll mosquito want bite. You see me have to clap. Oh, don't bite, sir. Hey, don't bite her. You see,
So where I
kill
come
it.
from? Where I come from?
You see, though, you say, inquire about when I come. You say, I want to know about me, though. You know,
No,
easy
because
like that,
I'm
you
a
know.
virgin, I mean.
You know, easy, you know.
No,
you
you're
know,
a
easy. You
virgin,
see,
I'm a check for you. You don't know, say I'm virgin, I'm a check for you. But you know, me don't want nobody but my man. I love my man, and I love my man. Stop it, me don't want me to come go up, because you know, like, me not depend where you depend, you know. Or I'm telling you, I'm not depend where you depend. Walk one.
Why? I tell you, time take a chance to say, bust to the supermarket there, say, me I tell you, yo, me can't wait for you to tell you to your supermarket, you know.
You
Full
know,
of
say-
a grocery, you know.
You don't say you're drama, you're full of drama. What me I go? You
See you
stop
next
touch
time.
me, my man see you touch me. Time jealous, you know.
Wanna come, man?
Where you gonna? Where you gonna? Where you gonna?
You wanna know me I go?
Mm.
Now go look what me I have.
Alright, go on, so you see that tomorrow. Come on, man.
You can't wanna
No, man, come on. You don't take it too far.
No, me not take it too
No,
far.
man.
No.
Yeah, I'm charge you like that. Pick up yourself and take care of yourself.
Alright, yeah.
Watch yourself on the
Me
road.
go on the road, man. I'm very responsible in the street already, man.
So you work tonight and you just have a party.
Me, you know what? G, me can go and go rubber double on the
that
TV.
does.
You
You
know
must
what?
find
Cause
a
your man
girl.
not carry out, you know.
You must fight. I can't go because I can't drink and I can't smoke like one day.
We can't buy sorry
go.
beer, girl. Sorry beer, I love sorry beer.
I love Serbia, but I don't want to ease on our fight. Man, remember I'm pregnant?
You know what? Going up here, man. Let me show you shop. But next time I see you here.
Yeah, man, I'm around.
Nah, man, I just tell me see.
What's your general, man?
I do me just a chat some now. Who brother said to me say like boy. What the things me a hear on road, you know, my friend and me have.
Eh?
Yeah, man, me say me have to go and check my virgin.
Good things that are
Good
good.
things. I chat all the things.
Yeah.
I want to look for something there.
You don't want to
You
know
know, yeah, well, you're going, man.
Hold on, man. You know, so we have to juggle, because we're not
Oh,
going to
good.
tell them. Since we get the little injury after I work there and thing, and call it a little morning, it's like I don't really want to go back and work, and for me,
Yeah,
ask my
yeah,
wife
yeah,
and say to me,
yes.
say, yo, see off and, you know, relax and she'll take care of the thing. So, life's sweet, no, you know what I mean?
Chat.
And then the woman, you know, I meet her, and buy her, a long time, brother, she run in certain way. And the running, what she running is like, she can't think, my brother. So you can't, it's like,
Want yourself, you know.
that's true.
Boy, no, some things is that mad, you know.
Mm.
You're going like you don't know. You're going like you don't know.
That's what you know, man. So, but we have control and we deal with things, you know. You know what I mean? But I mean, we have, you see last time when certain things happen certain way. I'm going to say we experience that street, you know.
Yeah, we know, but that experience alone can't do it, my boy.
Yo, respect, man. So how with you? All things.
Just a freestyle.
Ah, that is it.
Salad and pie.
Yeah, easy.
Salad and pie.
That is it. That is the vibe for sure.
Right now, boy. The girl most done cooking up. Right now, right now.
Oh, she be, she good.
You know, say tell the truth, you know, boy. Sometimes you hate take it. We can't manage sometimes, but you know I'm wife, me have to just go on now, man.
Easy with that, true.
Yeah.
I mean, man, you have to do it, brother. If you want to juggle, you juggle, but man, tell us you have to know.
You don't want to tell me, no. Gee, you like you try to tell me, say, if you go freestyle for the side, too. Remember me, they say, pussy and dog now, the same look.
That's true, that's true.
You know what, when we go so rude, a screw.
That's true, that's
You
true.
see me, cause anything, they say, what they say? What they say, boss? What's just stick a slide? Yeah, we don't want to stick down slide, my friend.
Well, yeah, we are money enough, so we have to control it, you know what I mean? And right now, we see us moment here, me control all the purse. You know what I mean? Lock the purse, brother. I mean, tell her how to spend, when to spend, and what to spend upon. You know what I mean? Yeah, right now, yo, it's today. Go down on the beach and I sort out my mother, you know. And mama go on miserable and I know say a little sort out she want. Now, what tell the brother? I tell the girl say I hear me irritated. Troops me reach at me yard, woman I call my phone.
And that want to kill you.
Brother, me say, woman I say she want more, but I'm kind of breed still, you know, because from my wife she can't breed, you know. But I have problem, so she you know.
You say my sister can't breathe?
No.
I'm old.
Well, I'm not say I'm old, but we are try. We are try. You know, if you work, you work, but you know, for right now, I'm going to road.
If you actually know that boy, if you say you want your legacy and you now work,
But
you
that
go
man,
so see you.
and that brother, so right now, I'm kind of second one way, you know, she know what I'm going, road one know what I'm going.
Jonathan and Palmer wait for you. Yo, we are going on the road, that's all. That boy.
Alright, easy, you know.
Jonathan and Palmer wait for you.
Alright, boy.
Say, I made say me have to go look here from see my friend and me. Why, you just run from my and taxi, you know.
So you listen.
Chat me and my friend a chat. So you look so.
Because we just don't want to see out there with no next game.
Baby, don't worry yourself. When you go on like you know say you have an aunt. They are most.
And that's what I say.
That one someone alright, you answer one question. You answer one question.
Why?
Why are you accusing me of stuff that you don't sure of?
I'm not accusing
Alright,
because the only one still know like I'm one woman.
So you know say me and them I same thing.
You never say all I say everything, you know, me just say something.
You like to stare sometimes, you know. Put on a smile for me, yeah, I'm not so.
You know, I smile.
Here, and you look very nice, so yet the way I try to tell me say, you're not going to smile because of what, your bex.
Yes, because there's a way to lie.
Stop doing it, bro. No one of them foolishness. No one of them foolishness. No one of them foolishness. Yo.
You know what I do, like?
Why? That me tell my friends when I come for still and cry. Man, we not consume no food still.
So I see a pet man to come, somebody they pass through, so I'm
Funny. Funny. Go show who we gonna give it.
I'm going to share the you know, you ever say what I do?
It was a prank. It was a prank. It was a
Wake
prank. You feel make me know where you are in the car. Watch out. Almost prank you prank me. Ah fuck. Me tell my friend say, me go check. For my girl now. You look for food. And then you go tell me say,
no food that day. Rough.
rough fit you.
Anyway, so you're going back after
Then
it?
when we go do them, we go look something there. I have food in there. Trouble.
What is it here?
No, what you say. What you say?
I think I had chat. So the one then say, alright. Now we girls are drugs. Girls are drugs.
You know, say me auntie buy me though.
Pull the door and come in.
Hi.
Oh, God.
Name of you?
Come on. Yes.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, man, you can sit down. Yeah, I'm about to go inside, go home, wash your hair.
Oh.
What you do?
Alright, we're nice today, you know. But one thing though, everybody at office miss you.
They miss them boss.
Mm.
Yeah, tell her what. Anyways, I know what I really actually do. Maybe I have to take some time off. I'm tired.
You're
You understand me?
tired.
I'm tired. And different that I take some good proper time off because the secretly buy one care for my husband.
I'm lying.
Yes,
But
yes.
you?
No, I feel like.
So all you just tell me this, like,
Alright,
me
listen.
always be first person to tell everything, so wow.
Alright, listen. It's a surprise thing. You know, say first person that I tell things, right? But no, you know, you're going to link me at the right time. But listen, I'm gonna make you know about it now. Because in my gun before what they say, it might be a taxi and this and that, so maybe I forget him one.
Well, that's the right thing because your man not supposed to take taxi. That not look good. But by the way, someone will not get married.
We're married already.
Huh?
We're married already.
So I ring there.
That I think. You see, look at nosy people when they are workplace. I don't do. I mean, no other than business. I am not meeting certain things.
I understand that,
Understand?
boss, but you're supposed to
Cause-
wear a ring. One
Yeah,
your
me
man,
know.
one your relation.
Yeah, me
your
know.
wife, you're a boss.
Hey, don't do what I do there. Me know about, you know how me stand.
Well, you're not really fussy over certain things and make certain things bother you. So, I understand what you're saying. Everything. So, when you come back to work,
Soon, very soon.
no, that not sound good at
Soon come back to work. I don't want to take time off myself, you know.
you can't have so much work problems. It hurt me. And I kill me, man.
I mean, know you do a good job.
Yeah, no sense.
That's why you're paid them ever more than them one because you do a good job. Them not even just one chat.
That's why I'm good for my office. That's why I'm not keep friend with them.
Anyways, you're good differently.
Yeah, I'm good. We just send me Africa and check in and tell us that we miss your work today. Miss your man.
Miss it, you know.
You know, we would go buy lunch with me and me in the office down and chat.
Alright, here I go. When I go look out for me by Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Yeah.
Man, Wednesday too far.
Wednesday?
Wednesday far.
No, but I quit Wednesday coming after work.
Acha. You know, that time we quit and no Wednesday no reach.
Oh.
Well, I'm glad to say you're alright and you're not sick and you did do this because of your fiancé. Your husband. No, not your fiancé, your husband. Husband. And I hope say the husband will be himself and give no trouble in the relationship. Because you know, the man you carry in love have a next woman on the side. Me not appropriate,
You
you
know,
know.
say no easy. When they come to me with them something, you know.
It's the truth. You have to know what you're doing in the time when you're married to them, man. They want somebody else on the side of the business with you. They will come to you and pretend, man, I can't pretend with you.
True, but honestly, the man, I want to put good man this and make it crap. That's you know, like.
Miss, me trust you're a good man. Just shine your eye. Nobody sit down too comfortable and face everything. Alright, shine your eye. Me know, see, you love him still, come and see, you buy him car. All I do shine your eye, I'm a boss.
Come on, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, you're afraid of what?
Yeah.
Think good? Good. Listen. You there? I'm going to talk, you know what I mean? And think.
No, it's okay. You guys can fun because
No, man, I'm not care for the man. Come
no
on,
man,
hmm?
she take your time off for you to spend time with her. husband, so my time to leave now. We're not supposed to be there when the husband is here, so boss.
Alright.
You want
Bye.
to see how okay?
Yeah.
You go first.
Bye, yeah. Oh.
Alright, there we go. Listen.
So, what I'm doing
Yeah, if never go down there, problem. If me never go down there, it would have been problem. All my hard work would have been in vain. Can you believe it? But thank God I'm so talented and so gifted. That's, me save it day again. You know what I mean? Your man did that, your husband did that. Oh my God.
Yeah. Come on, grab a shower.
You ready?
I'm tired.
Let's start the pot, let's start the pot, now you're hungry. Let's start the bath, yeah? I'm a little bit tired, you know, like.
Alright.
Come here, come here.
Yeah.
Me I come. David,
Yeah.
what you doing, sir? I want you.
Nothing.
Hmm?
Nothing.
You know, sir.
You know something, right? Yes. I know somewhere the MC here, right?
Yes.
You know me appreciate it, right?
Yes, you're scared me now.
And there is nothing too good.
Mm-hmm.
Finish the statement.
Let me forget.
Okay. Good.
Oh.
Okay, so come here.
Hmm?
Come here. Close the eye.
Hmm?
Close the eye. Just turn around, close your eye. Go like this. Yes.
Hmm?
Look. Ta-da! Yes.
Mine?
Yes. You get a brand new car. Well plastic, everything.
Allah ya tell.
I swear it.
Allah. For me?
Yes.
You serious?
Yes.
For me this? Is that for me?
Yes. Fine.
Babe. Jesus Christ, man. Hug me tight, no man. You serious? Plastic pass, see? Yeah. Babe.
Yes.
Jesus, pretty much. Jesus, pretty much.
I like it.
I love it, babe. I love you. I love you. Oh my God.
I love it.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Much.
No.
You drunk too much.
So, we're going inside now. Right? No, dear. No, dear. No bother with that. Dear, stop now. Dear, don't make me crazy. Alright.
Can't take for your big too.
Dear, you know. No! Look, see people look on you.
No missing people, hello.
Alright, come on. Come on.
Look, this song that kind of coming first. Why? I can't believe it! Yeah! You can explain new. New babe.
Yeah, dear.
I tell you, what you feel? Super fashionistic. This really delicious. Come here, start here. Come here, start here.
Alright.
Come. We have got 2 rounds tonight.
ya. How are you doing, sir?
Can't sleep.
Me say, you don't know, say, some little dirty baby father.
What you
Come
say?
in, come and buy care, give me can't see him. I don't know yet, me go no.
Where go?
Don't I'm yard.
Go do what?
Where me go do one? The baby father, him breed me, you know. I'm having beating on my belly. And a couple of days when me I call him on the boy now, I say, to the girl by the car, give him.
Jesus Christ.
Look at
Hot chalala, jump in a hot frying pan. Hey, hey.
you go follow me, or you not go follow me?
Follow you? When me there tell yourself, you know? When you tell yourself, you know that boy, look at that one, no one out of life. I see him breathe around car with woman. God Almighty. So what you gonna do now?
Me I go to yard, you deaf?
Boy, what you gonna do?
Me I go to create a scene, because me remember me, you know, me my wife have can't breathe, and I'm me having pitting on my belly. So down at the yard, me I go, it's either you go follow me again, not follow me. What you do?
Boy, me a good friend now. You want to follow you go?
Hey, don't worry, you know what? Me nah go bother go down on here. This is the car. Me go to get him attention. Me go set it on fire.
No!
What you mean by
This is what
no?
I say now. This is what I'm saying carefully. Make me go out, consume some nice food, have a nice drink, and just take it man after that they carry the
You
man.
must be mad. You must not answer me agree to the man, baby. I'm take the man after him just so.
Listen. Every minute you come talk about man. Me tell you right now you come talk about man. Me's the right man for you. Me can
Here,
cover everything,
look here,
every business,
cut out
every
the foolishness.
problem.
Cut out the foolish. Me your friend. If me your friend, you would have helped me do this. Me I go call the gas station go buy some gas.
Mama, listen to me I say now. Me can't light it. Me a fire expert.
Me I feel like if you feel better than myself.
No.
Me not like it, me not go feel
You might
good.
light it and burn up yourself.
It
But
don't
me
matter.
light it.
Me just want to say me light it.
You know if you light fire, you ever light a fire before?
Yeah, me like fire before. Look here, you have a friend and you have a
Listen,
friend.
you say where you burn done, and me burn done that. So me a fireman. So what you know? Where you want? Where you want?
Yes.
Basket to put the gas in, where you want? Where you
Want
put the
a
gas
back
in?
like yes. That me want.
Oh, I'm not going to back.
This guy my gas?
Yes, man. You know what more than that. You say you know
Alright.
about fire. Me a fire expert.
Tell that person me a come.
So me can't come with you?
No, me not want you to come because you will encourage me. Nothing buy no gas. Just stay there so me soon come.
That's why you know. Go on, go do it.
Me soon come, man. Me buy the gas and come back.
Jesus Christ. In your pretty. A long time me I want to see you, she not here. Man. Because long me I tell you say me a best man for you. Eh? Best for the benefit, man. Yeah.
Come on, man. You want to bring gas, sir?
You mean business? You tell me you're really gonna get gas with you.
Then I long me talk. I think I joke me, man.
You think I was joking.
Eh?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm
Come on.
ready.
You lead the way. Come on, if you're real fair.
To the car, yeah. My car.
This one me I say no. This one me I say no. You don't feel like fire.
Yeah,
You might listen. I know so. You might like you burn up yourself.
Me nah
This
burn
one me I say no. When you sprint it funny. And run one look mark so like your mark. So I like it for the mark. You say if I like it, you surely burn up yourself in the
Come
car.
on, I take some of that torch car.
But me will like it.
It's alright. Me don't want to like it. Just want to take the one up.
I say you burn up car. I say you do it, man. So. Yeah, play. Stop. Give me teacher, hold. I'm not teaching you and all them. Make one look man come out now.
I forget him attention. Like when he can't see him, I have to see him now when it burn up.
So after this, I know me are
Come on, I don't want you. Me pregnant. Me want my baby father. I attention me
So all of
want.
this, I go through.
Come now, it's like
Woman
that.
wicked enough.
Give me like that.
You have me light it? Are you light
Me will
it?
light it.
You light it? Light it
Give
from
me.
this?
No, me I like fire.
No, you have light from this, you idiot.
You know me not like what you say. Yeah, me which way is it like?
Light it.
Where?
Yes, sir. You see, not lie.
It's not like.
So what you have to do if you not lie?
Let's do rest of them.
No, you can't go like this. You burn me up too, you know.
It's
You
not
burn up yourself too. You burn up yourself.
about
What you mean? Can you go near to the car and light it? I mean,
no, but
catch a fire, catch a fire.
No.
No, but if you burn up yourself, how you get a nice, sexy body?
Excuse, look here. You have one too much on now. But tell us that this is a body I owe for me, man. I just want to get him attention with me and do all of this.
Come on, too wicked, you know.
Come man, leave me alone. I'm going to let my man care.
Woman!
Where there? You going? Sana, you got a plan. I'm there.
I'm here, you good?
Alright.
I realize you call me enough time and thing, but I just when get so busy and so forth. So I kind of, you know, when I spend some time just a little bit. Because I'm doing to the say, after a certain time when I spend time with you, right?
So long?
Yeah. You know you go already, an investment.
Could an investment?
Wait, you look like you want
What avant what?
to. You like say, what is that? Huh?
So you want to say because you have spent time with your wife, but you couldn't answer me any at all?
No, the time then when you call me is just that. And remember, say, you know, she went just buy me a new car and me want enjoy with her first and then can enjoy with her after.
So me if I always get the what left?
I'm not saying that. Don't do that. Right? Me I tell you what you are going. Why is it you can't understand circumstances, woman?
You will not understand because me pregnant they can't business with me. How much days?
Hear me now. You know, you wouldn't believe what happened.
What happened?
Each day they make park the car out the door, walk in the house. Then we come out, walk up a China man, see me buy some stuff. And come back and on my way back, as a matter of fact, me hear fire brigade. A blaze pass. When me see fire brigade, I say, what could have happened now? And me a cuss the fire brigade saying too loud in that damn place. When me go down the road and take a stop, I feel me carry a burn up. Light on fire.
I let you tell you.
Yeah, I tell you.
So that means that the car name burn up, you ought to come here tonight? Eh?
What you mean if you can't? What you talking about?
So I the car burn up, make you reach out tonight? Me ask you.
No, me not plan to come out. That's my test. I'm enjoy the first week with her and the second week with you. Come to you.
Oh, baby, I kick me.
Did I kick you?
Baby, I kick me.
Say baby kick up or so?
No, me I tell say baby, I kick me. Baby, I kick me. You know when baby, I kick you, you feel the pain about and your back. True, I'm a sinus surgery and I'm just miserable.
So like I long time we seen us and long and close. I want you to just come up like so.
Cool, you may tell say me cool, me don't know. Me just feel sick, my sinus are drained and everything.
AC turn off, what means you're cold?
But me still cold, you know, realize the AC turn off and the fan barely turn off.
So is that more?
Me tell you say, me just don't feel good, and the baby constantly I keep. But I never trade it. You stay with so long with wife. Now you come the baby a rebel.
Okay.
So if you baby kick up your belly and go along, cause you's not there as a father. So now you come now and not in there for why you around me right now. So you stay with so long. Yeah, right man, I'm a bed me I go cause I don't feel good.
So me can't get no nice something?
Because guess what now? My menstrual all come.
Huh?
I'm on my menstrual.
What do you mean menstrual? You're pregnant? What you talking about?
Yeah, what's
You
up?
sure you spot? You know, check it out the doctor.
No, me not do not spot him. I know me at about. Enough women still see them menstrual every month when they're pregnant. You never know that?
Alright, come. Alright, so you what me gonna do?
You see? Actually, your woman can't breathe, you know, and you down the road if you know what take place. If you mean to guy, so you can't listen with wife, with the girl we can't breathe. When you gonna live for girl, man? To get enough money and make me can go live life together. Because me, your baby mother, me bring for life, yo. So you have to left the woman because she kill me. Who tell you married to a woman want me, yo?
You never know, say I'm healing my mother. It make it sound like say me genuinely know certain things. So if me know that more, but it's not even about that. Me rate her. And at that when spot the connection. You understand? I want to go for him, man.
Yeah, I'm not feeling the mood, man. Let me tell you,
You
baby.
back feel so
The
like
baby don't want you around. The baby don't want you to. The baby don't even want you around me right
your
about
back feel
now.
like you wrap up.
Nothing wrong with me back. Leave me back, man.
Your back hurt.
Yeah, let me tell you, say the baby. So the baby kick up on a girl. The baby don't want you around her. Cause when I did tell you for the baby, you never did it. Much days me not pay and I call your phone. And you not even don't answer me. You say the thief answer me and say to me say, boy, me soon call you back. None of this would have take place there now. The baby will have welcome you. Cause all the while the baby welcome you. But tonight the baby don't want to see you none all. Because about a week I don't want to see you. Eh? Can you look top of me exaggerating now? It's a week I don't want to see you.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to see if we can organize certain things. Cause right now, we need to talk to her about what we care. Cause you know.
Make sure buy a new one. She have money.
You say no, but if you know, like right now, I don't know. Oh, today, you say me gonna care her. Me gonna talk to her. So I'm gonna reason with her and see what I'm going to do. But me talk to you, yeah?
Yeah, take care of yourself and
Yes.
walk safe.
Just don't call me call them. I'll call you this time, yeah? You'll find time to call them.
You make it better because me, you know, you see, anytime my mind tell me something now, I hit me work with you know. And if my mind tell me if you come down there, and down there me I come. Because she have to know say me I carry a picnic.
Well, we can say that, no.
Oh.
Don't do that foolishness, man. You hear me, sir?
It's alright. You take your time, go on. The baby they go and see the baby
Yes, sir.
miserable.
The belly just look like what? So we can wrap up like.
No wrong with me. Me cool. Me so me cool. So me cool. Me put a little sweater and a little sweatpants. Me alright, man.
Can
Other
I
than the
get
baby,
the- can I
no,
get
me
the-
don't want to up my one next time. The baby in a mood. You know, you say the baby in a mood to see you. Go on, when the baby they want to see you, we can admit never see you. Go on, man. We just say if we don't see you, alright.
Alright, later, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Your daddy say later. Cause I don't know why you don't want to see you.
So we can't talk. We can't.
No, go on. The next time you talk to him or her. And I feel like that with me have to come extra miserable. And I want more than one something to eat at that time. I don't need someone. Send someone to back up. I need to go grocery shopping.
Alright, she's supposed to send someone to me tomorrow. So by tomorrow, me send her 5.
I want more than 100,000. Remember 3 me I eat for. Me and the 2 baby them.
Alright, so we talk. Yeah.
Yeah, take time, go on tomorrow, yeah?
I don't understand you wrap up like another shit.
One, mommy just cold, so me have to wrap up.
But white,
I mean, I want nothing wrong. I mean, I want the baby catch cold, you know? That's why I wrap up,
later.
so.
Can't get that troops.
No, man, go on, man. We don't in the mood, man. The baby say, me no fit.
Yeah, call me phone every second. I know me come and me can't get a hug and a kiss. So what you call me for? Why send? You know what, everything good. Let me get the picture now.
Take care of yourself. When me go and take care of the twin them. Take care.
I don't train, I want.
It's alright, you can say what you want to say, and me I feel it. And if me am extra, me there am fit 2, and me feel like a 3, me and am for nothing that me say a twin. Nobody can tell me say a twin. You say my body burn up, my body burn. Me say, I idiot boy, the way say me and my friend, who want make it say to me, don't go so close to the car. Yes, it's true, me ignorant, me don't like the things, you know. Watch it, me in a pain, and me have to tell them, be a lie. Why? I gotta take me look at time and come my bed here, come in and feel good. My body burn up, Jesus. My body burn up. Jesus. My body burn up, Father, God help me.
car burn up, car blast up. How you car just blast up, so I don't know. It's like, the situation happening, me I wonder from which angle. Because you buy me car, me happy. Sometimes people just, because tell me say, maybe somebody throw gas money, maybe somebody wanna, pass by a light fire. One type of situation. Because I want to campaign when I go on.
You start from yourself. Accidents are accidents, you know. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna hang yourself?
No, hang yourself, but me upset, man.
You gonna hang yourself? You're upset when I'm gonna say, don't worry yourself.
Baby, no hard and long more on your car. I'm comfortable in a car
It's
driving.
not gonna be long this time. Insurance gonna cover everything. So I'm making it one son.
You cover insurance? Oh. So babe, I'm next question I ask you. Why is it that you put the car in your name? Like, I feel my car and you put my phone.
Yeah, we really are worried about that too.
No, we're just asking a question.
Yeah, my husband, you know.
That's
Everything
true.
I feel, me, I feel, you know. You understand? And here we're going now. It be here. You never left your ID. So you just have to use mine and get it. You understand?
That's true.
Yeah? So cheer up now.
As long as I say that still. So how long insurance take to get back the car? What do you think? Yeah,
In 2 months' time.
2 months? Jesus Christ. Why?
Alright, we can't be have somebody. Alright, listen. No worry yourself. It not take so long. No 2 months. Look out feet by next 2 weeks.
It's 2 weeks. Yeah, I work with that still, but might have to borrow your car. No, just like to go work and so forth, might have to borrow your car again. I never really want to go back there, so that me a talk about. That's why I'm so vexed. You understand me? I say, if you go back around place, so I borrow your car, drop your work and I borrow your car, and then when you're ready, sometimes you want to go do this and do that, me have to left off of the site, and then come back and drop it this up. It's kind of complicated. Someone kind of happy, baby. But kind of happy. Knowing so that when go on and, we get a level of comfort. When you forget me, babe, look at me and talk to you, babes. Come here, can you agree with me slightly? What happened?
You know
What happened?
you need to come service me.
That
That happened. So come on then. And stop from worry yourself because I'm saying in the next 2 weeks you're gonna have a car to drive back. So come on and stop worry yourself. Cheer up now.
Cheer up, man. Cheer up.
You love me?
Major
Subscribe yet.
baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad. It evens out eventually. So every lie there's a twitch, every tear there's an itch. It's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, so she's my baby.
Or no. I mean, man, a good friend. You call me as a fuck. Tell us what? I don't make a bun up. Let's take it fire for you, still want to bun up. See that third week, bun up, you get on your dirty nasty, you get on your ear. So you're not here, the ears. Hey, what can friend me be? I mean, me tell you, make me light it. You still willing to lie to yourself. See that you get third grade bun up. Look for your
You're not there remind me because I know nobody know that say because I don't know that I don't feel it already. So you're not there remind me.
But you should have hear my just stubborn.
I come on no. Me want go to my yard no, but me not really want to go to like I'm love me and I want mash up. So me come to get your advice. So you think me should have?
Pull about fresh up. Here. Mama, listen, me and your man. Everything you want, yeah, come solve with you. Mama, look at us, man, me just stay done. Me a right man for you, you know.
You must say mad.
What you mean? Everything you want, and me a come call. You want to go bun car, and me a call. Next thing,
You know my friend. So
friend,
call.
friend. The man say that situation here. It's more than a friendship. It's come like a husband and a wife. Everything you want me a call.
You know what somebody call you out here. Forget about it.
Call them, me a make us say just go chop the machine right there, someone here move something. No like where you stay, you know. Every minute want help. Give me a cup there, boss. Alright. Whoop!
Francis, why they see when me ask him to help me, you know, come and talk over. But if me give someone me something, me have to pay it Francis. I'm gonna call the money. Oh, jeez. Hello. We need to see him over the house. What do you mean by? Look here. We need to see her right now. It's an emergency, so please come right now. I'm waiting on you. That not have nothing to do with me. You forgot some pregnant? Don't tell me nothing about your crosses like we can do. That don't have nothing to do with me. Listen, I need to see her right now. Why every time I call you and tell you something, I need to see you? You're going to tell me about wife, this and that. When you going to breed your mule wife and stick to her then? Don't come to me about you know, like when I say I know situation. I don't know no situation. I need to see her right now because as I said before, I don't feel good. Ow. What do you mean by it sound like me I feel pain? Of course me I feel pain. You must say mad. 1 hour wish for. Look here now. Look here, me I beg you. If you want peace reign, don't make me spit and it dry up. Don't come tell me if you understand. I'm tired that you want to understand. It's like me the most understanding person in the world. Look here now. Remember, I'm crying a child. And if me call you and I want to see you, because at this point, I don't like you no know. So you just believe that the pit them in my belly want to see you know me. Ow. Okay, no, sir. You can't do this with you on the phone. You know, I tell you something, I don't feel good and I need to see you right now. I don't care what you have to tell her, say. But just know, say, me need it right now. And I know you not come, me go to show the belly. What do you mean me can't do that? Yeah, other day I used to say my belly reach far so me can't dash to again. You know, worry yourself. There's many ways of getting rid of it. And remember, you're not a pit, you're going to be a gelding for life if me get rid of this here. So make me spit and it dry up and you know reach my foot and you go see how it go. Me no more talking because me don't feel good, alright? Alright, bye. I'm going to tell me foolishness. Me tell the pan wife. Create. If you tell the pan wife, alright, wife can't breathe. I mean, one day I feel all of the pain them now.
You can't go by a car, you know, because you know, car, yeah. Hopefully by next 2 weeks, we get back a car still. Yeah, man, don't work with it right now. I insurance car trying to give it. So, we have a baby after me. Yeah, man. That's what I'm saying. And tax. Yeah, man. I'll talk to her about car and make sure you know say.
Wow.
Yeah, alright, cool. You can come early today,
No, he's so good.
how much you?
Like you look good. This Larian sick me.
Tell me a place for fifths deal with sick you come from. Man, you really not sound good for sure. boy, I'm there all day, I'm just saying to myself, so boy, I'm just feeling like a salt, miss, I'm living up 1 pound of salt just dash up on my left, on my left hand, and 20 pound of salt dash up on my right hand. Nothing on connect. Maybe, when I see a buy new bag, I want to get the stuff done from half of the internet come.
Yeah, some documents there is. And there's some people on fire.
The same one when come on the fire sheet?
No. Just have some
Yeah,
people that they want me to fire because they're not on the right and me not run, I don't like say me I run one papa business, I understand babe? Me not run one papa business, you know. And you know, so when me get serious, me get serious.
True.
So if I see me a smile, I don't want nobody take my smile for granted.
True.
And when me get serious, me get really serious.
When I get too serious until we get the camera for me. Because we careful.
Yeah, be talking about that. You have to get the car. Me understand. You know, coming on something that feel good. Why you have to talk about the car?
It's a reflection. We're just jump out of my mouth. I'm sorry about that. Sorry. Oh, come on, baby. Sorry. Okay? I love you, right?
I feel pregnant.
Well, can't take it like that.
No, I never say I'm pregnant. I just say I feel pregnant.
You feel, like, yeah.
Yeah, I did not say I'm pregnant. I said I feel.
Okay. People say too, but
Yeah, so, how was the day?
The day was stressful. Taking taxi doesn't work for me, baby. Until, but I got through.
You know,
like,
something like say somebody that come home and see you. Like, time early.
You have to see me, baby, because I'm telling you, say, being in the road kind of sticky when I take taxi, you know?
Yeah.
So, alright, back to everything. Oh,
You change the password?
huh?
You change the password?
What do you mean?
I mean, your face always.
Yeah, same password. You see him?
Oh, maybe I actually can't hear.
Yeah, I have to open your eye and look
I
in
can't
it.
even look on this.
You can't know?
Yeah.
So, I can't know.
So the date there. The date there now. We have some things to take care of at the hotel.
Okay.
Back to where so where that's it?
No, it's not. You just say, yeah, alright.
Yeah.
That's how you want yourself, you know?
You cook?
I feel like I cook. I just feel like something that we buy if you go buy something. But we can't even buy your car and buy something.
Yeah, do that because right now, I don't feel so good. Like, the break when I take off and work other day, it really feels so good. And now I'm going back, it just has stressed me.
So you call people about the car, man?
Yes,
Insurance,
I did.
How they say?
I did today. They said that tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, and they're gonna get back the same one like that.
So I get back and feel like,
Same color, everything.
same color, everything.
Yeah.
Boy, I tell me happy, baby, happy. I'm so happy because
So tomorrow by 3 o'clock, you can go pick it up and I'm gonna go there work.
nice,
And I'm gonna go there work. So you feel puny though?
you feel good, man. Yeah, that work.
Puny, baby.
No puny there, baby. No puny. No puny.
Alright, we just want to lay down.
I did them.
Yeah, nice.
So you think that's a problem? Like how tomorrow I get to just relax yourself a bit. With fruit.
Yeah, but I know, so not few times I have to go get something for me to eat, right?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to drive out soon. So by the time I fall asleep, then we drive out. You know? Because I might have to go work at a construction site. Or hammer. Create like a hammer.
Okay.
I love you, my baby. You all know me from my life, you know? Don't you know that? Babe?
I know.
You better know. I love you, my baby. So tomorrow. Oh, that's so sweet.
What time you tell her?
3 o'clock.
Okay.
Now I forget about baby. I want 3 o'clock and I like you.
Yeah.
And then we'll be back by 4.
By 4.
Yes.
Alright, so everybody know is when I say we can get food for it start heavy.
Yeah, and before me get top asleep, and then you go move, and then we wake up, right? And your phone, you have it?
No, I'll let you phone.
Okay.
And you want to contact
You're
me?
supposed to leave it.
No, you can't.
If anything happen, I have to call, right?
Yes, please.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, let me see.
No, you baby.
So,
All the things that we say collect from Amazon, just let me know, when film them come, so we can look at them here.
they're here already.
Alright, so when we come back, just try to see if we can I'm gonna make it film them here.
Okay.
Alright, love you baby.
We are do.
So, I saw you know.
My call.
Yeah, come, tell me what going on.
What do you mean by me tell me if you been here still to touch me. Sit down now. When you talk about come clean, what is wrong? What's going on?
You can't see them.
Why you not sit down?
So, you call me your ball being phone like you're 8. And the better just reach little bit past 2 months in the city.
What do you mean by a little bit past 2
What do you
months?
say we mean?
You not keep track.
So which part you know?
It's 4 months.
Me can't 4 months.
Why me can't
If
4
4
months?
months, enough for me.
I feel your brother then. If I not fear your brother one then. And what you gonna do? Let me. But they imagine you're a worthless baby father, you know? And your first video should have killed up yourself, you should have excited. And if you second something, I feel call you?
But based on how you stay, me nobody excited again. Me unexcited.
No,
Because
that's sure. That's what we just did on the phone.
That's sure what? You so fast, Maricha? Eh?
But you see, I'm excited, so that means you don't want a baby then.
So we can so
Me just want.
yeah, bleach.
Yeah, me a rope. Come on, baby, come on.
Hold on, me see Anna what I got.
No, wait, what's my answer? If me no man, me come to talk to you, come and search me. Yeah, what? Police? Body police?
Alright, so what going? Cause me come here and be a talk here, me can't get nothing. So
Me
let's
need
come.
some more money.
Money. Me not tell you, me not get no money yet. You deaf? Something wrong with you? Me not get no more money because she want to buy the car back again.
Sorry, some care more important than me, baby.
And no matter car, you when force me say if pressure the whole thing about the car. Now me a pressure because I want you to be happy. Yo,
When you get car, me not see you. So me not bother when you get no car.
listen to me, baby.
Me need to go up at UE, go get check up and them something there, and them tell me say at 350,000.
For the one.
If you have the baby and get me check up and them something there, what do you mean by for the one?
So me can go at you. Where you think hospital there? Public
You
hospital
must
there?
say mad
Yeah.
me. I
Yeah.
come not to care picture them treat people so bad.
You treat-
So you know say you want worthless man.
So why you waste money on that and we
You
can't use the
first
money?
Pitney.
So
And
what-
you know why your baby born good in a UC hospital?
I am not saying the baby now born. The baby born in a uptown, downtown, the baby still like a born. Enough time when the KPH people them complains, people are complaining the KPH not good because them going with dirty stinking attitude and they expect say nurse them to just take on a dirty stinking attitude and move on. Eh?
All of my friends them have them baby by UC.
That's why you're a dirty friend.
And me
Then.
want have my baby at UC too, cause you never drop my standard. But see you go like forward there, you want drop my standard for the program. I don't know who me there think gonna pick up you, you know.
You talk about your
Oh.
dirty friend them when I'm minding pit and I'm taking the pit every day and gonna run bar as the pit it drops up. Eh? They left it on grandma and poor grandma. No matter the foolishness.
Me not care what them want do and what them not want do.
Yeah,
Me
yeah.
just nobody video okay, me not feel good. Me not care what them want do, me just want to say me got UC got have my baby.
Listen to me. Are you me love me? Think I she me love?
If every day that you tell me. 6 years now, I that you
Yeah, but are you me love me? I have nothing for me. I hate her so much. Me don't like the sight of her.
No sleep with her every night.
No, I'm sleep. This I'm done. I'm roll over like a dog. Stop going somewhere, you know, say, babe.
Ah, me tell you, if you stop to touch me, me no feel good, man. Sure, man. When me can't just stand up and talk to me, you know, say me not like you. And sometimes I feel like me like, and the next time I get you like, nice.
That's so it's a pregnancy, come never problem. So you can chop you want, chop your dirty man. You know the money I know still, but you can give on like 250.
Hey, Jesus help me. Where's all go?
You go buy Lasco,
But last go for the one. Me drink last for me a girl. And milk me drink, me no drink last. If I see me drink last for you know me.
Well, me know you left out the water for money, so you know you come.
Me no want it now. Me no want
Yeah,
it.
want it,
So
yeah.
try to take it off of me bed. Come here, hot girl, me no know who you give this to. Who you give that? Me no want that. Take that and go give your wife. And she drink last for me no drink last for. You must say mad. You ever see me drink last for you for me?
Yes, every time we be in Lasco drink with base. Wow.
You're wicked,
It's a
you.
go. It's a do not use the pipe water, use the distilled water.
That's two times you give me last time when we reach hospital.
Which
You're
hospital?
wicked.
Because no
You
one-
wicked, man.
Because when you use the pipe water, and the pipe water run your belly.
Oh yeah, confess your sins
You
now.
know, say confess. I tell, but when you tell a long time, make it sound like somebody talk about it.
Me not drink last cup. Me a breed and my baby want milk.
Yeah.
Milk me want. Take it. Hey! Jesus, peace.
That's how you put up, sir?
Hey! Okay, no man. Me tell you, so me a feel pain. I mean, I want your side of me, man. Once you come boy, you with 250 can do for me and my baby.
Alright, let me get $1,000.
I don't want $1,000. I want 100,000 right now to my account to go for you and man.
Let me tell you, say money not coming to the backside there. I'm for you.
Make sure I come by later because I figure you and man. I don't want that.
So you got you, we gonna do happiness. I have a 4 months pitney.
Joke this.
I
You
put
get the check up.
check up on your backside. Check up what? You
Maybe.
need to check up nothing.
You see that's how I should have read for you because you don't know nothing about
No, but me I
child.
tell you, you not even reach. Babe, your baby not reach 3 months yet. That first thing. And we wrap up so like say,
Just leave me alone.
I lose
Leave
that
me
child,
alone.
lose it, boy having pitney. That makes sense?
You're not gonna run, you're not gonna make my body look away. Well, don't act pitney and can't sexy and go for the road and nobody not want me again. Me and act
I
girl.
don't want some,
Oh.
I don't want some loving. Come
Me
on.
say, look at you lick your head. You lick your head.
Alright, come put the tongue here, sir.
You lick your head. You don't even have money if you make a doctor to you have one loving. Hey, you try to get to bottom bed and go home with your wife, you're loving. Oh, tired.
I'm not come on.
That's your business.
Yeah, come on.
I mean, know where you live. Don't forget that.
If you ever come down, there's some, hey, you see you? You done mash up everything for just what? Money not reach yet. Where the backside there?
Can I ask a question?
Ask any backside question.
When the
ask.
money will reach?
This evening about 5 o'clock.
Alright, just when the money reach, I send it to my account and check me back tomorrow if you love him.
I'll be a style me, you know. But I don't know why you style me for. Everything good.
I need to go get my check up there, man. That me need to go get. Doctor say,
Come
at
here,
times,
ask it.
me no want your camera going away.
You can't carry that
No, me
clinic.
no want your camera going away because all of a sudden you want to cry me got doctor. All the while I'm here, come by myself. Every time after come, you say, wife this and wife
Yeah,
that.
but I don't lie. You make it sound like a lie, me I tell.
Well, me no want your camera no. Me I go all along and me look, no, me alone. You hear the people say to me, you look like I'm me breed myself. And me tell them say yes, I'm me breed myself. So me nobody want you follow me down doctor if nobody see you know. You can't continue hiding. You know, so you don't want your wife find out. All of a sudden you want another thing, you know. I want what is it?
Why you look like a bun up, sir?
Burn up, burn up, you hear that?
You're right, I
I
can't.
bleach, me I bleach. You know, no sense. You even tell someone to baby come white. You know,
You
no
look
sense.
at, no, but so if baby come white, you want come white too?
Yeah, I mean, baby for white.
No, I'll be a rubbish at chatting. Alright, you ready? See, when me text you and say money reach, you make sure say just spread out and don't give me no question.
Check
Turn
your
off the
account and
light.
see money.
No, turn off the light, I'm just come straight to you. That
Nah,
me I
turn
tell
off no like I'm in a dopey.
But you know, I always say I like to see certain things.
I want to see everything. Me pregnant now, my mind change.
You see your face? I tell me love you. I love me love you.
And that you tell your wife, to every day that you tell your
No,
wife,
me
I
tell her
love me
that.
love you now.
No.
Only. And that you tell her just like I tell me, you can't trick me. You trick me once, you now go trick me twice. The baby, the man stiff up.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, later. Take care of yourself, yeah. And remember if text me the receipt and they send me the money, yeah.
Check your damn phone.
Yeah, me go check it. The baby them say when me have baby I come back. Alright? And me need for money to go up at the hospital and look for myself tomorrow. Before I realize nothing.
Miss, I take too long for that, sir.
Girl, you can't do that. So I'm gonna keep on at the door. Sleep, you sleep, you know.
Miss, I have to wake up. Miss, no, send me a fast now, listen. But me can't talk. Oh, Miss, wake up now, Miss. You know, wake up yet, man. You wake up now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Miss, you can't wear your bag. I like it. No, send me a fast in your business. I don't fast my fast. I did do for you. I feel our husband.
Buy it for my husband.
Here. Miss, you know, me always eat out. Come on, really cook. Come on, cook. I got this little restaurant over there. I'm sitting down here and eat. And then people business come to me. I sit down there now and I see.
My can really come with me for people business.
Miss, when me done tell her this a business here, we know if I wait, me come wait you.
Alright.
I come beat you. Miss, me did there, me hear some people are say, it can't run up. Are you yard? I want girl come burn up with her next man.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What? Wait.
Yeah.
What you talking about? What do you mean by?
Oh,
The car explode, but where did the news from?
well, Miss, long and short of the story, what me get to understand is that the woman no gonna pick your man, woman, and side chick.
This must be a joke thing. This must. So who is this girl? What's she name? Wait.
Oh, I name, what man say name again? What name? What's her name? Jessica. And you know what next thing too? She pregnant. And me so she walk a chat say I'm me.
Hold on.
Yeah. That's why.
Hold on. Jessica. So hold on. So she black?
So,
She black or she what's she color?
I was black.
So no, you left him phone here, so and she called and she said something happened at a construction place. I need to come right now. I'm telling you.
Construction, you
So-
go my him. I got the construction there. You go there and go knock.
So she pregnant?
Pregnant, yes. But by the way, which construction work? Your man not work? Who tell us that the man not work? He not working. Every day in the Friday here, I get yard in go. Or they meet up on roadside or whatever. And they hide. And me, when we get to understand is that the girl are in the clinic. Yes, and she want to go. So miss.
Alright, listen.
But by the way, you're new for sure?
No, I am not a mule.
Oh, you can't pick me.
I just hide from him. Say, me tell you, say me a mule, which I am not because me don't want any kids to go me down at the moment. But him don't know that. So, okay, thank you for the information.
But miss, let me tell you something. Me just want to know some job, alright, you know. Me just want to know.
No, your job
Me
is
have
good.
to talk, and me come and go
You can tell the other two that they're fired. Your job is okay.
my job alright.
Yes.
Thank you, Jesus. Anything me again, me I come tell you, cause me not let nothing pass you.
Alright,
Yeah.
listen.
So me say, you want me help you for the year?
When I'm ready. You know what I'm gonna do,
Just
man.
call me.
When I'm ready, you never really like see the other side of me, you know. I am a good person, but I am also
I'm married.
what did I call it?
Oh, you can.
I am also Jamal with intelligence. Have a good day.
Alright,
Have a good day.
later.
Thank you for the information.
Dude, no matter make this much of your relationship, just find out everything first, because probably people will talk and it will not go so well. You know what, fix
No, I realize some changes in him. Yesterday when the girl called, I realized him like, him a shake and him a like,
red flag.
did she say anything else there? But I just there play fool for catch wise. So it's alright.
Red flag, you get the destinies. But anyway, later, if me hear not again, I will come back.
Okay. Oh, I can't believe anybody doing this. Woo!
I got the food for my baby. Oh yeah, she gonna love this food, yeah. Food, yeah. Here we Tastes good.
Who you call baby? Eh?
Oh, what is fun?
Who you call baby?
Babe, stop now. What are you fun?
Let go me hand.
Me now, you want me?
Who you call baby?
What is fun? Babe. I want you. You sick or something? One deal.
You're a wicked man. Let me
You're a
go.
wicked man. No, one deal, stop. Babe, stop now, one deal. Calm down, you man.
How we can't go?
When you say we can't go,
How we can't go? I'm not talking about how we can't go now.
no.
So what on then? You be used to me as one good girl, right?
So you still a good girl, what you
No,
talking
you
about?
never know some evil.
Stop now.
You think I could have taken me for fool?
When you take it for
All
food.
the days of my life.
Somebody can't go now, put it
Eh?
aside.
Who named Jessica?
Huh? What do you mean Jessica?
Yeah, why don't you
Jessica will work with.
Yeah, Jessica work.
Jessica, that's
Which
not
work you even go? Which work you even go?
You're a contractor.
Alright, let go what I'm handling.
No, let go hand
Let go what I'm handling. Fix the hair on the
No,
face.
it's not your death, yes. Yeah.
Listen to what me I say. Because I come like I never say.
Come to you.
Listen.
Stop now. You can talk there.
Catch the fire car.
Catch the fire.
Chase me and chat foolishness. Girl, catch the car on fire.
Yes.
Are you coming
What?
and come go like so you don't know that?
I don't know. Catch me scarf.
Oh, she a burrito.
This
Me not really want to ask you.
Calm
If I hear a picnic.
Calm down. Me don't know nothing about this.
I hear a picnic.
Yeah, listen.
Stop the light. Stop.
Lord, don't bite me.
I hear a picnic.
What's that?
Listen, I hear a picnic.
But me, I was saying can't breathe. But me, stop now.
Who said that? Who said that?
You
You
tell me
can't
can't
breathe. Look up our family planning. Because we not ready for no picnic yet.
Stop now.
Me I run a business.
Babe, stop.
Eh? I feel so me couldn't breathe.
Stop now.
Let me go and stop. Let me
Go
go
on,
and
son,
stop.
stop.
Let me go and stop.
No, what's supposed to be?
No.
Babe, stop
You
now.
know about it now?
Who
I
is
have
that
left. Oh no.
What do you mean, for
You know
no?
about, hey, come out and place.
Can't be cautious. And think about what you
Let go my
Think
hand.
about what you say.
Let go
Babe,
my
I
hand.
love you.
Just know say the divorce paper them.
Which divorce paper then?
We have a divorce.
No, we can't. Babe, just relax, the man.
Let go my hand. You're a liar, you're a cheater,
I mean, come
you're
on.
everything in one. Let me go.
Calm down. You calm
Okay,
down.
let me go. Look,
Yeah, calm
look,
down.
yeah, look.
Alright, go so, go so, go
Look,
so.
no, let go my hand. Let me
No,
go so.
go so with me. Go so with me.
Get up. Just get
I'm
up.
not trying to get up.
Alright.
What's your foot on my chest? I can't get
Alright, listen. Get up now. Get up. Me not rub with you now. Me not playing with you. Get up.
What's your trick?
You know how much for that?
What's what?
Eh? 100,000 pay for that day, yeah?
What?
That day.
Babe, just relax and stop now.
Listen.
Calm down, man.
Listen.
Jesus Christ. So, what is about the car?
This hurt me a lot.
Eh?
But I'm not gonna make this mad me. You can go on with a black tutu peg.
What are you talking about?
With a black tutu peg, cause guess
Babe,
what?
babe, listen, calm
Guess
down, calm
what?
down, babe, calm
No
down.
matter how you
Babe,
treat
calm
a
down,
man,
calm
listen.
down, calm down,
Stop.
calm down, babe,
If
calm
I
down.
don't put a filthy mouth from me, hey,
Calm down,
shut the 3 more box. Let me go.
we can't meet your box for today.
Let me go.
Alright, you know what? May I get some time for calm down?
Leave out.
May I get some time for
Leave
calm down?
out.
Let's calm
Leave
down, man.
out.
Stop
Leave
push.
out. Come on.
Stop now.
Open the door.
Ah!
Come on.
Ah, Jesus! I may come on, come on. May I come out? Let's calm down now. Ah! Jesus Christ!
How you feel?
Okay, I'm in the backside here, something come on. Stop now! Stop, my, be able to say I've asked for stop now.
Let me go.
Just stop.
Come on.
Something that me.
Come on. Take out.
Me a come on.
Come on.
Me a come on.
I know what I done to beat that.
Let me see me come
Let me
back.
call you.
Are you born on the car? Talk the truth. Talk the friggin' truth. Are you born on the car?
Yes, I'm the one it come.
Yes.
I want.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna say that's what. I'm gonna. So I don't touch me.
I'm in the baby.
You laugh. You think I trouble this?
Yes, because me call you 1 week and add you don't come.
You think I'm gonna beat up you?
Me there and you pick me and I call you 1 week and you don't friggin' come here.
Because.
Forget your attention, you have to do that. You're crazy. So where you come here for today?
Brand new 2025 car you pull up, girl. Eh? What if you do that?
You woman have money, she don't buy that one.
What am I going to do what? Waste money? So you want me attention and you pull up the car if you come down here, you come down here, I want to know, I get hungry. You want to keep my tight your mouth because of you.
She an idiot, you woman that can't do without us, so be foolish. Tappy, you don't have sense, that's why. If you didn't know for angle, you think she could kick you out.
Jesus
You
Christ.
don't have sense,
Look how you pull up
I
yourself.
really think you have sense.
Look how you pull up yourself now.
I said, I was calling you for one. Just imagine a pregnant woman. I call you 1 week and add. I you not answer your phone. You see me answer your phone and say to me, say, me soon call you back. You know, some more do that. I do it out of anger. Because I did ignorant, that's how I do it.
Where you go down there? You say yes, when you go down.
Me and my friend. But you know,
Which
yes,
friend?
Which
Which friend?
Nah, God. You see, Chuma look me. And he's frig this. You see, Jara,
Shut up! What is about it?
but you're going to get no sense. You say, man, I'm a friend from long time, and we used to go to school together, but she might look me, I don't want him, and that's why I make me go up the stairs. Because you want to pin in, and say, no, nobody know what my man care. And me, I feel what my man care.
You hear what I say? You hear what I say?
What me I say?
You sound like a dunce.
You see, when me...
Alright, yeah, see me now. What go on now?
A pregnant woman, she don't think about anything, she just do what her mind tell her to do, okay? Me never have an option.
No, you can't get the money. The money can't come now because I'm
Yeah,
like
I think
the money.
because she have to take your back. Stop like you're idiot, no man. She have to take your back. She can't do it without you. And look here, I'm telling you something. You say if you don't give me the money, I will get it somewhere else. So don't forget that.
Go get it. I'm going to rob you. Rob you to get the money. That me I tell you. Rob you. You don't seriously.
Mind yourself, you know. Because I can take a bad man, you know. Be careful. If you not take a bad man, take a soldier or police. Just be careful. Tread light. You hear me I tell you? Okay.
So you really burn up my car? You really going to like
What we need to do?
Hmm?
What we need to do? You never leave me no option.
You could have even, you better come here and knock and answer, act like a dog out the door.
Me. You know, say, you don't know me. You live with me for 6 years and you still don't know me. If you know the person me be never did a cook and dog, me come knock your door and tell your wife, say, me beg you call my baby father, please. You don't know me. Tell you something, me not idiot to know. If you are idiot, me not idiot to know. Because you say all the money we you give me over the years, me I get out of the save. Oh. So you don't talk about wife, I go left there and say idiot and this never happen and that never happen. Get up and stop like you idiot. You know if you're gonna sweet up your woman and make you take your back. What are you not sense? You think you have sense now? That's why I'm going to take it out first. Because when I look about it, I realize you're not sense. What is it? Where you coming from? What are you from?
Yeah, very good.
Name? So, me ask you a question. So,
Don't touch me.
I went by years, you never see if I tell the money with the one day again?
Are you me send the money, Conky? So me can tell them, see, I say, how much money have in your account now?
That not have nothing to do with you. I'm not naming on my account. That not have nothing to do with you. But no worry, because I'm not going to make you hungry. But your wife, now, if you listen to me now, she not left you. She just angry at the time, so she upset. And I understand. All you have to do, I'll go back.
I mean, she not sell out.
It was me, man.
You must have
No. Excuse. Say fear, yeah. Sell fear. Sell this. You know what? You know, say me for real, man. But think I'm a smart man, me pick up now, but me know my sister like idiot man make pick up.
Ah, you're one, man. Don't call me again.
For
Don't call me again. So you can find options and better options, find better options and leave me alone.
me not have to call
And
you.
make the option take your belly as soon. You see you?
Mister, I don't have to call you. All I do is have the baby and put it on your doorstep. Make your wife take care of it or her. I don't care. You look at your sister. You see, Fimi mama. It's when Fimi mama they raised me. She tell me say. You see when I take people man, take what you can get. That's when the time come to leave you have something. You're bright. When you feel like say me alone tell her when a baby. Hey.
Let me carry fire.
Whoa, yes. Tell wife is say sure.
Don't touch me.
Take care of. Tell wife is say sure get a little baby if it go and take care of. Cause me no wanna be able to take care of my love. So you know say me if you give somebody else a baby, I like that. Me tell you so be 6 years now with me attack you don't know nothing about me now. If you didn't know me, you know say anything when this cut out between me and you have to keep your picnic and you have to raise a picnic because me no wanna picnic. So I mean like you better go back home, go make it up from now and tell wife is say she soon get baby to take care of. I go to 20. We would tell her girl and boy one time she not work because she can't breathe.
Yeah man, you burn up your throat. You burn up your throat. You burn up the auntie. You burn up the auntie. Feel the pain on the car. Feel the pain. You see you?
You see?
Don't call my phone. That's it. Don't tell me nothing for you. Me tell me sitting.
The pain has to act like one time. Watch out, my phone a ring.
How I call you?
And my phone a ring.
How I call you?
Here, see? And your wife a call me. Madman in a clean clothes.
Hello? What?
How could I cast this day, lad? This someone you answer my phone.
Oh, dog, how you be dog? Dog, you see me thump in your face. That me I tell you, thump in your eyeball them. Bust them. That me I tell you, dog, yeah?
Give me phone. Somebody's...
Don't call back the phone now. You hear me say? Don't friggin' call back the number, yeah.
What you say you done with me? So you tell me. So you got my phone.
Don't worry about that.
I'm gonna calm down. Go hug up your wife, tell your wife sorry, and you're not work about things. Come on, man, you see you're tired. Are we there to fight? You want to fight?
One phone, you want to run me out, you deaf?
But we have to stay.
Right, yes, sir.
Right away. Hello, me what hurt no plate and the landlord will come tomorrow feet. So anyway, you decide to stay right there, so you have to pay the rent. So I don't know who they tell you say. You think me want you to live with me. No man believe with you. So may I tell you, if your wife don't work it out, go out and work it out with her because we're gonna have baby on the way to take care of, okay? Well and there you see your wife a call you.
Hello? Yes, baby. I'm not going to know I'm down the road. If you come and I want to go to Jamaican beach. I'm not coming.
Go to my bed and go to your wife.
gonna swim and bust me or drown me in water. I don't know what to expect from you right now. What?
Listen. You know how much things we invest in life. For you just walk out by me right now and do all kind of foolishness so you're having a big old cranium. Eh? Eh? No, how can you have a real woman and do her so dirty?
So I can't do that now. So you grab me?
No, me not grab her, me just hot. So me if you grab me grab a long time.
You can't grab me, run down with you. I see what must
Run down with me. What you plan to do? Because nobody feel like say you're not come home, you know. Don't feel like say you're not coming home.
Baby, come missing.
Listen, what you plan to do?
Sorry.
You're gonna listen, me don't want to hear about the sorry part first. I want to know if you're gonna tell the girl if that should the belly or what.
I'm going to tell him for that shit, baby. I don't want her.
You don't
I
want
tell her every
her?
day, so I don't want her.
So how you can prove that to me?
Because it went gone to one point where she had tried to trick me, so she had come down here. That's why every time I go down there and go and think. That's all. But like how you know, I'm done.
So how you reach in the first place to insert your thing in her?
She junk me off.
Junk you
Yeah,
off?
she put one extra drink in my cup and then I fall asleep. And then I fall asleep now. I see she up on top of me. I say, why you up on top of me? And then when I feel kind of alright, I say, do what you do. And she do what she do.
So am I a child? Or a woman? Which one of them?
You're a woman, you're my woman.
Okay.
Listen, babe.
So listen. So if she drunk you off and then she decides to blackmail you, why didn't you tell me?
Because I'm afraid of how you're going to react, baby. I'm sorry, baby. You know, like, let's say no now, so I can, right now I feel free. I feel like a man again.
Call this stupid ass girl.
You have a number on the phone.
Hey!
No,
I remember how it goes.
You have
Every call they ever get, I always have them in my head. Alright? Yeah, I'll call her because I want to know how this thing will go. Oh. Send off.
Yo, bitch! Listen to me, I say, see, me and my wife going back together and she forgive me. I don't want you call but my phone, I don't want you come on my yard, I don't want you do nothing, I want you dash your belly. You hear me say? You're the girl about the phone, you're the girl about the phone. Yeah! Yeah, you have to know that. Yeah, man.
Where you say what this up?
What? You see
Where you say what this up?
Yes, that's what I said. Hey, bitch.
Hey,
Listen to me, bitch. Do not call back. Do not call back the phone. Listen to what I say.
Give me the phone. Big stinking girl. And then you know what the man say? Eh? What you want? You want money? What do you mean by you want me, man?
Can't get a
My
man.
man don't want me. Are you my man want? Which day? Which holiday? Which summer? Big black tutu get if ever hold you bust your face. Here? The man tell me to eat that.
You
tell her sorry a while ago?
Who tell you sorry? You mad?
You tell her sorry a while ago?
Sorry for what? I'm sorry for you. Know your girl.
Don't play with me.
That me say. Sorry for know your girl.
Big stinking idiot girl. Just know say. If you don't love me man alone, I'm going to bust up your face. Because you don't know me yet, you know. And me send 2 man to chop off the head, girl. Because you don't know me.
No, baby, I forgot to
hey, listen. My money tall like that. My money tall like that. Hey. Me will murder you and my husband.
No, you have to do that. No, put me in murder.
Girl, you don't know me. You don't know me none tall. So if my husband ever feel like to put a foot back there, so Just know me make an example all time and show you who me be. Bye, bitch. See you soon.
Yeah, seriously.
Huh?
So.
What you gonna do? I'm ready for go home now.
Are you come for him? Are you me say also, and I just say I'm sorry for everything, and you know, really want to feel like said, you know, I'm not gonna stick to my word, yeah? I love you, baby. I can't do without you, yeah? I'm glad to see you call me back and make sure, say, you know, like you show me say you love me too, yeah?
You know the funniest thing about it?
No.
It just don't come out of family planning.
So you want baby?
And then they'll surprise you. Me just want to make you go on your thing and go on your thing till me tell us I'm pregnant. But no, you couldn't wait. I made the woman hold you down, brainwash you.
Babe, I don't love the woman, none at all.
And but you know much man out there want me.
Hello, stop talking
No,
about the man
listen.
and use it as a cat upon me. See?
No, I'm just saying, you know
But
much man out there want me, like literally want me.
Babe.
Like they don't want no sex from me, they just want me for who me.
It hurt me.
For who me be.
Babe,
And
me
you
never
out there
said-
showing away that stuff. So how you see a film and then you give it away?
No, a mistake. You just say something, a thief from me that day. You understand? I wish we could take it back, but we can't take it
Listen,
back.
I'm educated enough.
Yes,
No matter feel like
baby.
when me talk patois, you or when people pissed me off, let me talk patois. Remember, see a straight English me talk, you forget. You forget.
You understand, baby? I don't feel it.
You know what? I just need to take a shower, drink some tequila. I just need to drink some strong shot right now.
Listen to me, baby.
One strong shot and just listen.
Just listen to me. I'm sorry for everything. I'm not going to happen to the relationship again. I'm thank you for you choose to keep me here.
You promise?
I promise it, baby. I love Sheena, you me love. What if you know that? Sometimes I think more you.
It's not the matter of fact of who you love. Respect, loyalty. In front me, behind my back.
Yes,
You
baby.
never did I give that, like, you only give the loyalty in front my face, but you never did I give me behind my back.
Alright, listen to me.
Huh?
I thought it was a mistake.
Did you even work? You work?
No, babe, no work. And that is what I appreciate from you. And you know, it's like, me hope so much of the thing when I get the car tomorrow. And so, you understand?
Well, actually, listen. The car, me don't put in your name, but me never bother put in your name. Put in my name this time.
No, no problem.
And whenever I want a drive after that car, you have to give it
Of
to
course,
me.
baby.
And a matter of fact too, that car, my next car, I go set it up. My sister, I go have it for like 1 month. So you see the next car, now what you have for yourself, what me get for you have to bring me at work and pick me up from work.
That's no problem,
And
baby.
whenever me call you and say I'm ready, you have to reach there.
That's no problem, baby. That's no problem. But my phone ever charge. So I know we are making sound like say.
And that car will be parking under the garage.
What do you mean? So like
Whenever you come inside at night time, you park it
yeah, when we come in at night
under the
time.
garage.
Yes,
You're
of
not
course.
gonna left it out there so again.
Yes, babe, I'll never do that. And it's just because you must say all the key we couldn't find for the garage.
And the next thing,
Yes, baby.
I have a hidden camera inside of the car. You cannot find it. Nobody can find that. So.
So what do you mean you have a hidden camera?
My hidden camera.
You don't trust me, babe?
No, listen.
I make a one mistake.
No, listen.
I make a one mistake and I will never make a mistake again. You can't do that, baby.
No, listen. You see me and I laugh. Listen. Why you get so why you go answer now? Why you go answer now? Listen.
It's like you don't trust me again, babe. I make a mistake.
No, you have to earn back that trust.
Okay, alright.
Me I go take it all back, but you have to.
Earn back. Yes, babe. No problem.
No, what me need for. Who wanna show?
You wanna show?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember saying never eat the food, so I'll get one food for myself.
Honestly,
Me know you're not hungry.
honestly, when me tell her to go on, me get something.
Huh?
Me get something on the road.
Alright, me kinda hungry. All me I do is go right down there, so baby. You say I have a camera? No, when the camera and women have a car. I'm just confused, like. Alright, I'm just gonna go over right
You drive my car and go down your road.
Yeah, me can drive the car.
You can drive my car, but also my car have camera in it, so do what you want to do.
Yeah, man, no problem, baby.
Yeah.
You over here?
Yeah.
Love you.
Yeah.
Love you, bye. I'm thank you for as I said, I just feel like you give me a chance and I'm not going to a chance and never get back. You baby? So soon come here.
Don't touch me.
man
Don't touch me.
Policeman there.
Ah, you come to me, what? Come talk to me now.
What? No.
My you, wanna man?
Big man, you're big man. You're charging a big man. Yo, he's just
I just said to man. I just said.
Hello, me man, I'm going.
I just man care going up.
Yes. One where you're going, you're
Yo,
informing
you know where they? You know where you are right now? Say go talk what
Yo, you know something
Eh?
she me a friend, but my sister is
Oh,
I
ask the
love
boy.
me man, no man.
Eh?
You know something else say you're not me, no friend. You know why you
Why?
make me say no. Love me man.
You see, do it. Everything you know. I'm here to solve the crime. I don't
Yeah,
see that.
inform
I
me,
said, no man, come now.
I
So
said,
you
let me
turn
police
back
up
for
you.
me.
But say, you know police up
See,
there,
it's
here,
not
fam.
easy.
Go where you come on. Yes, stand here. Me a call
Man,
you, man.
yo, I ain't
Go
gonna
on,
put here. Here, him. Light here for you.
Him know.
I mean, him like it. He pay me $500,000.
You're wicked.
To light it.
You'll never get that out of my
I mean, yo, man, there's a job. Believe it. Brother, what I share, me, what I believe.
Oh, yeah, no. Who
Yeah,
is this?
you can't believe him. Look. Yo, you know, feel what I'm saying, no? Aside work as one, you don't see.
Race man this. Actually, can't get my product out of here, so. You know, the race man, I want him. I didn't want to be choose him long time. I'm a charge because me and him used to go to school long time, but when I look somebody, I don't want him.
Alright, you answer.
In a year now, you can't come and disrespect me. She don't know me, you know.
Listen
She
to
could
me.
have money, she tired, she can't pay nobody to kill me. You get rid of she.
Alright, you answer.
Oh.
It's on the phone,
Mm-hmm.
and she went call you and rated you, and me personally
So
want
why
to call
make she
you.
take your phone?
I'm sorry for calling you bitch. You understand me? I said it was just a thing where, you know, me just have to act and make it sound real. You understand? Listen, me don't want you call her, me don't want you come on the phone, me don't want you do nothing, because me know say you call the phone, know you have a direct number. Me don't want you understand me? I only video me I said to you.
Tell her don't ramp with me, you know. She
Listen
don't know
now,
if
ramp
you're sick of her, you know.
Yeah, you think me want her?
Oh.
You think me want her? Me don't want her, so me
So
come
what
out.
I said that one time.
But me tell her that enough time.
Oh. So she a push on
Of
herself
course, she call me, she run me to that place and then call back for going to that place. Me don't understand what she depend.
What a way she love mine, man. But me not mind still, because me I get her money to spend. And tell her so the wrong tree she a back up.
Alright, listen, listen. See? Let's make sure everything good. The baby alright?
Baby, alright. You see, my belly a grow.
And yo, me can't say 100% babe.
Babes actually me the jealous. When I say actually me the obsessed man and me jealous. That's why me gonna. It's alright. Me I get better. You know, see the star them I go away. See that? Not the star them I fear that.
Let's see. Alright, you know me go to call me. I mean want to spot you. If when the money come to me account, me send some come give. Because I guess so she said she give me back one car, but it go in a fear name. But what she said to me is that she put camera in her car and see me.
She not no sense. She don't know. That's what I'm telling you about that worry about what she want to do and what she not do. Because guess what? She will buy the car and put it in her fear, but she still gonna lose it.
As long as you know. So no.
Make sure, so you know, up there, support that girl that call me.
I
If
don't-
she tell me to call me, say,
I,
yeah, call me, say no.
I don't want the girl. Simple as that. Me like her. Me hate her. Me hate her fault.
And she can't even breathe to this, and you girl come out, hey, and she don't know how me walk, come down like a walk away. So remember, say me have the belly, me no bother.
But me and she talk like a peach and you guys. No.
I like the girl that tell she can't breathe.
I love you.
Love you to me, baby.
Okay, let me see this now.
So we may go see you.
I'll try to see if you can come tomorrow. She got work.
Yeah, me the girl go on. If we make she start work night, she can tell her say you want some more money. The girl work night, she can
Say money! Money! Next one, money! Next one, money!
my mama man friend. Come and say him stay. Mama man that. She can look me and can't get me.
As I'm saying, man, are wicked enough. So, man, put in a deep hole and jump out. So, no, it's alright. Now, one day, monkey want a wife. Shall find out. One number up for hey, one number up for broke again. You call me. Oh, yeah.
This will come back.
Watch out. I'm not saying I really like you. I like how me I hear big things with you and your boss and take your mouth out tight enough because you know say inform and live too long. You know.
Me a talk to?
Yeah, I mean I like how me I hear a road boy. You're in a people business too much.
Oh, me in them business. Listen to me. What do listen to me? I said, this is me I do. I better wait for me. Cause remember, say me a boss right and you know. So me have to do the fear right through work yard anyway. Because you see, this one me I do, it pay me more. You understand?
but you
And me
see-
know see all of that.
Yeah, but you see the mix up thing now. Tell you the truth, you can't take your jam and me know and you know no problem with nobody and then it's right, so that's why me I say yo. No, me hear what you saying about work, you know. Not true me I talk me hear what you say, you know. But you know. To how we are working now and I realize say everybody I make money and so forth and I like it look and so forth, but the mix up business me don't want to unite, you know.
You see, closer a bit to me boss is the better for me. You hear? See, the other day she fired too so much because I hold them a babe on her job. And you see me have to work my ass off and do everything
No.
what me have to do just to please that
Yeah.
woman to keep my job, to make my money.
So that's why you take up informal business to
No,
keep
I
your
don't
job.
inform my business to take up. Me know what me are doing about the thing. Me know
Yeah,
what me are doing. Eh? Don't worry about me. Just trust me. Me just a do my part.
You trust your man. But to hold on with them out. You think how you are informing
Listen. Nobody with it. Nobody with it. If people pan road a chat about it, and me hear about it, you know must expect something if you go tell me boss. Eh?
Look, that's not all the time necessary. Sometimes
All the time, me tell me boss business. People business over here.
but it's so like all the time.
No, me don't do that all the time. It's just that when you made book up a restaurant and me hear people talk about them things about wait, that's son like me boss husband. And no, me go tell her and now she find out everything we are going. That now not to do with me. Me just want to know something to my part. You understand? And me I get what me to get out of this. And at least she trust me. And that's the biggest thing, you know, trust.
Yeah, she
It's
trust you.
greatest
Me never say enough to make your boss trust you, but why? No. You chat too much.
But the later. Can you say, me turn up yourself, you know me, I go catch up in an argument. And I know you don't want no argument, you don't like me in an argument. You know, say you don't like me get silent treatment. So now start with it now. Because you will get it.
Alright, I love you alone, man. I love you alone, sir. No ways, man.
Hazy. One, we have a bomb business.
shot him a box 2 times and fist him up and bite him. Yeah? And guess what? The man officer said, you never knew if it's true.
Yeah.
I should have boxed him in it. I should have but guess what? I hear one little rumors from the road say I'm a brother. I spread it say me a mule.
Your brother, your own blood.
My own blood I spread it say me a mule just because me not ready for nothing. I tell them say me not make no pity who me don't like how my sister
So your
them.
brother would do something like that?
Okay, like true because him beg me to buy him one bike. And me buy him the bike and him give him friend and police take it away from them. And me tell him, say, listen to me, if you come back the day after my license and insure for you. The boy take go give friend a flash out the money what me give him. So true me not give him the money and now he have it as spread it say me a mule.
You not to do that.
And he all I know say a medication me I take because me say me not make no pity who me tongue.
Come on for your brother. Come in.
Yes.
Go back to his story.
So the girl know, me need some the girl on the phone and him call the girl this girl.
I don't trust him. No, you can't trust him.
I don't trust him.
Breed, so he now go just.
I don't trust him.
So
Can guess what?
yeah.
You know, so we not check na girl and I go for a girl.
Yeah,
You know, so we not check in a girl and I go for a
when you say
girl.
you threaten her,
I mean,
you have to go for him then. You can't sit down and say, so we can still sit down and say,
so we say.
we have to go page the girl.
Then me not even
Next
bother
time the
again.
girl go send somebody for you instead. You're crazy, you have to use your brain, you know.
No, me
You
a big
first
smart, me
have
a
to go
smart,
for
smart
him.
wise. You know what? Come on, be me, you'll be able to not bother be.
Well, I'm seeing.
Cause we shall roll today.
Ah, come on.
Go look for her. Look for the dirty girl. Hello. You sure say upstairs she live? Cause me no want to waste no time, you know.
So, me make it call. Then come say upstairs. We don't have a bottom. Think I don't have a bottom of this.
Excuse me, put no.
So, we got this cousin area, sir.
I would have come to me, no.
Sir, where's Miss Jessica?
Who?
Miss Jessica.
Something urgent come up and we looking for her.
Yeah, because
Who?
in clinics there's something wrong with our baby, so we have to go.
Jesus, oh, my next door neighbor.
Hey, neighbor.
I don't listen. I don't know if they call him man.
Good man.
One big, thick Rasta man.
Hello.
Listen.
Hello.
Listen, me how
So
I
then says something
Listen,
wrong with
listen,
the
no.
baby.
You have one lady, so you have part of that man making dead. You can't go and do so.
No, we are nurse.
Yeah, nurse, but you don't want to go walk with my lady.
Hello, Jessica. Hello.
As a man that look for, listen what I say. If a man that look for, you know what I mean?
Hey, girl. What the fuck?
To subscribe is free.
Baby. To every key there's a lock, to every bird there's a flock, to every boy there's a perfect girl, yeah. So every wolf there's a pack and there's no turning back. It's either in or you're out in the cold, yeah. So every moment there's a bee, trouble look for me, yeah. That's my philosophy, yeah. To every girl there is a move that brings some crazy attitude that switches on and off like a crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Crazy, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy girl, 'cause I'm in love with this crazy, she's my baby. So every good there's a bad, sometimes you're happy then you're sad, it evens out eventually. So every So it's worth the pain. Oh, there's a heart without a soul. Love will always be at home. I found my home in her heart, it seems. I found myself a pearl, a really crazy girl, but there's no me without this crazy girl. But I'm in love with this crazy girl. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. 'Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy girl. Cause I'm in love with this crazy, but she's my baby, yeah.
Crisis that I come from here comes with me for now. If you look at crisis guy can't breathe, come like to show I'm losing the kidney. You should call all the dirty man here too, you know. Hello? What you mean wagwan? Hello? A 3 day now, you look at crisis girl and my friend broken in my apartment up, they come fight me and for now. Right about now, I don't know my mother. From that, I don't go back up because you see through me I breathe. And I don't want, I feel to make me blood up on me. And so I go drop on my picnic shoulder and I go cross this man. You try come down here now, you know. What you mean by? Oh, you feel no know. The little dirty woman where you tell like a mule woman where you there when you can't breathe. No tell us a friend force them apartment and come create a scene. Me say, me have to protect my belly because you look at the girl that I want to kick out my pitney. Because my sister, my pitney, she come for me lose, you know. My sister, my pitney, she come to the girl can't breathe. The girl try to make me lose the belly. You cannot tell me no phone show me ears. What you mean I lie me I tell you? You see me what I tell lie on people? You ever see me what I tell lie on people yet? Right now. What you mean by me have to give a few minutes? Few minutes like how much minutes so? Okay, now me need to go to a doctor. And guess what now? The only reason why I'm not gonna retaliate is because I'm gonna sue your wife. Yeah. So you see all of what she never want to give, she will give it now. Yeah. Why you think we just take it calm and easy? Watch me and her nastiness. Cause I'm me tell her if she can't breathe and go tell me about how she can't breathe, she just never ready. What that have to do with me? That has something to do with me? You see all the girl there? You see the girl when me know, you see the girl look at idiot girl look at help a girl who work with her, where push, the look at help a girl there, watch me and she. That's a hey, I'm not even drink my soup when you at me and wait till it cold. And then think of peace and safety. Especially a girl that was broke her hungry and have the money. Watch me and her. Me say my ribs come like say it fracture. What you mean by me no must go doctor? Hello, me need to come right now as I say I need some money. And it never end well. Remember me tell you that it never end well, you know. Right now, me I give you 5 minutes. Don't ask me nothing about my mother, that's not your business. If my mother there or she not there, you're not. Just come right here right now, okay? Make you 5 minutes. Come off my phone. Say, my girl, say not even put anything on to her. Because she can pay me some money in a courthouse so she never imagine. Just watch me and her. Yeah, man, no worry, man. She think that peace and safety.
Why is that? When man have everything in their eye, they still go cheat. After everything me have been through, you still there with the girl.
Let me show.
Eh? Something in your throat. Something in your throat as me talk. Something in your throat.
You don't feel too good.
You don't feel too good, but you better feel good today, yeah. Wake up and feel good.
Much liquor you give me, baby?
Listen up. Continue play with me.
No, play.
Continue play with me.
Listen to me.
Alright.
Alright, listen to me.
So now the girl still there. You still there with the girl? You still there with the girl?
This a boy. Why we not do that, baby girl? Me make a mistake, and it's just that you had to come out of a mistake. That's all. We don't understand that.
Well, this a girl go up there. I'm going for the girl. I kill me, should I kill her up there now? So you see all the way you put me through.
Babe, me don't want her, you know.
Eh?
Me tell them.
What do you mean by you don't want
Me
her?
don't want, who can want her?
What do you mean by you don't want her?
What me want her to do? What me want her to do?
What you want her to do?
What me can want that girl to do right now? Me I say, it's a mistake, cause what we go on is that, me tell you say, you know, it's a buck up thing. And that was it. And then me kind of, you know, it's not saying me have feelings, but me just kind of went soft now, like a bag juice. You know, with the whole situation. I feel good, baby.
You know what I say? You know what I say? Looking at me eye. And tell me say, you don't want the girl.
I don't want the girl.
Looking at me eye and tell me say, you don't want the girl.
Yeah, me knows it hurt me.
I'm going to slap you and make you have to move out of you. Looking at me eye and tell me say, you don't want the girl.
Me don't want, me
Look straight in me eye. You must think like, you feel like something I laugh with you.
Me not laugh. It's laugh on my face.
Eh? Looking at me and tell me.
But babe, what make you go up there?
Looking at me.
Me no want the girl. Me no want the girl.
So where you dry suffer? Where
Because
you dry
I
suffer?
want to stay longer a little bit for you.
Why just ask me say, why me go up there? You don't have no question in this right now. No question
But
me.
you're not like that. Me don't understand why you do that.
Because you made me a monster. That's why me go up there. Yeah. Me are the good girl, I know me a bad girl. Because of you.
And then so
Because of you and your dirty shenanigan self.
remember saying when God will make human being, everybody have a factory fault. And that was my factory fault. And that's it, me done this song. Me don't want you to feel like
So she a breed.
Yes, she a breed because she alive.
Me say she pregnant.
Oh, she pregnant. I saw me here. I'm not even sure.
And I fear.
You sure it's not can't for me? You know what kind of girl that a stripper and be, you know?
What do you mean by I can't fear? What do you mean by I can't fear?
A stripper
I
and
know
be.
me run every profile from that the girl don't know strip and nah. That the girl name take people, man. Here? And me done talk. And a matter of fact too.
Hey, hello? No. Yeah. Alright, no problem.
Well, now me a talk to my over my phone.
Well,
Anybody will call her, come off now.
yeah, man. See, yes, we do. And construction people come.
Which construction? Which construction?
Me working a bit.
Remember say, hey! Remember say, you know what? I lie that tell. You forgot? So I'm here to take for you that. Give me this.
So who's somebody?
Give me the phone.
So who's somebody?
Give me the phone, me say. Me say, give me the phone.
No, before me say, me I'll show you the phone.
Let go me
I'll show you the phone.
Let go me
Hold on, no.
Let go me
Hold on, man.
phone.
Mr. Me show
Let me
you.
see the phone. No, sir. Give me the phone. Before me take this and lick in your face with it. Give me the phone.
Me a man I'm a mascot. Me a what?
You're a mascot.
So if
Yep. Give me the phone.
the phone it just dead a while ago.
Give me the phone.
The phone just dead.
Dead way.
This
Dead way.
the phone
Dead way.
pesticide. It
Dead
never
way.
work.
This dead. Eh? This. Why you so lie? Eh? Why you so lie?
Ah, you see, it's stop the foolishness, man. What if we take this and you 2 more times?
Why you so lie?
You have some wicked.
I'm lick your back. Why so lie? Me see how you call you. Damn bright. If you got some face full that too. Somebody not save.
You become a construction.
I'm ring you back and see how which construction.
Baby, you're not like that stuff. You know, are your friend? Me feel say your friend are influence if you do them something. Because this is not like you. Look at my pretty wife. Eh? Me love you, my wife.
You know what? Don't stop. Don't chat to me. Don't chat. Lock chat. Chat to me back. Lock chat.
Look how you buy me car, baby. Will you see me go get you?
Eh?
You buy me car out the door. Why me go get you?
You see car me buy back?
Don't find direction here. What you
No,
say?
you see the car me buy you back?
Nobody say.
Listen, no. You see the car me buy you?
What no?
Me want it for 1 week.
You can't get it for a week, man. Come just drive for you one.
Me want it for no. My car gone a garage. So I want your car for a week.
Alright, anytime you're ready, babe.
Yeah?
Make it sound like something will stop you. Me not stop
Yeah. And at the workplace,
you. Who want it?
one of the youth them me fire them. So me go wide if you come.
Me?
Listen to me. Me
Yeah.
I go want you there to run certain things.
Yeah, me
because he want to there run the things them run at the back, me fire him. So me I go want you there front certain things.
Remember, so we talk about this, so we now ever work at the same place because it is not, how many I say, it never work out. For man and woman, a couple are working at the same work, it never work out yet. So we know we are going to bring that in for now, people school, man.
It never work out yet.
Yeah, listen, I'm hungry.
It never work
It
out
never
yet.
work out, I'm hungry, babe.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some food and come
Hello,
back.
me I lay off then.
Me?
Me I lay off at the work and me I will lay off at the work for some time.
Why?
You understand?
What make?
Why? You really want to know why?
Yes, what make? Come make it
Oh,
like that.
you really want to know why?
Oh, what?
You really want to know? Somebody come out for the family planning. I'm
You-
pregnant.
Me know you tell me that already. Yes,
see,
but...
Go on. I'm going to doctor today without you.
Oh,
In my jacket and my pants, I'm just take off my hat. Yes. I do an ultrasound.
I want to say, wait different.
What do you mean by what you say?
Alright, I'm soon come, I get weak.
Eh?
I
Yeah,
don't
you're weak.
want to drop down. Later, you're big. Later, I'm soon come,
Yeah. Think me an idiot. Watch me here.
Problem, you know. Wow.
What do you mean by want me? Don't touch me.
You see. I don't know, Mr.
Ah!
How is it going now? They really beat you up?
What do you mean if they really beat me up?
Because when she come home, she beat me up. I don't understand why I go on. Take my phone. I text you, take my phone, I'm not calling you. You feel sometimes...
you want to go clown, you know? How kind of man you really be make girl beat and take with your phone?
So if me beat you, no. If alright, say for example, I beat you, what kind of man me be? Again.
Beat who?
Beat woman. Suppose to put me on pan and give you two left and right. What kind of man you go say me be after that? Who no beat me? What kind of man me be? Me beat you, what kind of man me be? What kind of man me fi be now? Me not have no rights.
Put the girl in her place, but she know say you're the man in the relationship.
Babe, listen, me no love the woman, me no want the woman, you know. I don't you know. Me tell you this already, that you me want. No, you have breathe for me every
And
time.
then tell her too, so you don't want me.
Who said that?
She.
She tell you that?
Hmm?
Allah you tell.
She said me force myself on you.
Me say like crazy.
She
because-
said me force myself on you, you say you don't want me.
So you believe that? What you believe? Tell me what you believe then. Tell me what you believe now.
Me I go sue your girl.
So hard for. Come on, baby. I'm ready for.
Exclude, where's that?
Just done this, man. That's
No,
what
you
important.
lie. Come on, don't go to police station in a police hands. I'm a liar in the police.
Which liar? You can't afford liar. Eh?
And the man, me hear something, you know.
So what you do? I'll give you liar something eh?
My liar of the case.
Which you say liar of the case, but how you feel afford liar, you can't afford liar. Yo, you cheat on me?
You know something about me?
You cheat on me with liar?
You know something about me? Tell us something. One thing me, I'm not fool man. Me, I'm a little money. Me, I'm a little money save up. I'm not idiot.
Alright,
I'm not wait for fight, but I went not to fight. But I
No.
say like girl, she go pay what she not have.
Me know why your mother hear me and you cuss on us, because I must say we done. She not like me already from man.
She don't feel like it because you're a dirty man. And you
She
make this
feel
happen to
like
her
me.
daughter.
Who am to her daughter? She just love you. I mean, no want nothing to do you. And
And
this is no reason for you to treat me so.
the girl need
Am my fault? So my fault everything?
Remember say you know me live.
Remember say you know say me have been wife before everything, you know? And you agree, so I know my fault.
Our fault, it's my fault.
When I say your fault neither, but I just understand the situation and circumstances. So that
Me
me I
have
say,
a want
what?
$3 million from your girl. Must say, she see them ribs fracture and look at my ribs.
What you say, so look at me. Dig up in the ribs and fracture it.
Must say my ribs fracture. Yeah, idiot. You don't see the bruise then. You don't see
Yeah,
the
me
bruise.
see the bruise funny, but I don't say fracture. Me can't see it.
Oh, so you're doctor now.
So yeah, give me. Me an
I
X-ray
thought the
machine.
doctor them tell me.
Me an X-ray machine.
Go on here, yeah. Can you see me now? You want to get mad in my mother house there,
No,
no?
man, babe. Me see, man.
Excuse me, let go from me, man. I'm tired of you, and I'm
Me think about the
tired of you, I'm tired of you, girl.
Every time we enter me, girl, what you talk about? Eh? Nobody doing something, man. I think you're gonna do. I love you very much. I know you can change that.
Well, look, me send the Malaya, I'm gonna write her and send the papers them come
I don't really want you doing that, so because I don't have I'm afraid that because I go me come out of the car. I want bike, man. Man, look what me like say. Man say, wake like yeah, you know my face. But I still stay down so. Eh? You me say, just forgive me, man. I'm thinking. You understand me? I say everything will alright. Everything will alright.
Everything I feel alright, come, but we don't call that $3 million, they make nice.
Well, if you collect 3 for you must have some.
Eh? What you say? Not dollar you can't get out of it.
So it's
People them things, they call the people in place a fias, the people them things.
alright, baby.
Remember that me yard me there? And me yard me there where your wife a pay for. And that's how the girl find me now. Can you make the girl go in your phone?
Me don't think so.
So how she knows how this me live?
I think the woman was she par with one girl that she get the
Little
information.
mongrel dog she have a walk back to
Yeah,
her.
man, I like the girl neither.
And this is she, watch me
The
now.
girl don't like me neither, but you
Watch
must
me
say,
now.
no man, about the violence, Yeah, babe. Come on, baby. Along the
Me
sea.
don't know okay not more right about now. Me just ignorant.
Alright. Come on, water baby a little bit.
Listen!
Water baby a little bit.
You must be mad.
So you want to pregnant when you're pregnant?
Money. After my body under so much pain. When your dirty wife and her friend working at my
All
house.
me I say to
But
you
you
is,
still lie down with you?
but so wonky baby. We have to water baby head, baby have to come
Look
to
how
school.
most you not have no baby to talk about.
Sorry
What
about that.
I put better myself because through the care can't bridge, you know, want me care the opinion, but a lie she a tell. And the opinion coming in Jesus' name.
No, baby.
Oh.
You messing. I go back and really have a problem. I go talk to my dealer. I tell her some things. I tell her some things right now. I tell her.
Yes.
I'm mother. Listen, I say, my mother.
Yeah, man, go on. But I love because guess what? No, I don't want to kiss no. I don't
What I mean, no kissing. So can a relationship we have no kissing.
I'm not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood right now. I call you up and make you know, say, me.
Watch me go, I do that wicked.
I like you
That
say,
box
she might beat you up again.
No, because no, you can't do that. I'm going to make sure you're saying about this. But you know, I do that. I tell you exactly what I want. You can't be able to leave your school, no man. Alright.
You never tell her. Tell me now, exactly what you tell her.
So when you go to the apartment?
I soon go back home. I just have to start out certain things.
Alright, cool. For your friend over there. You go try your thinking, boy.
Yeah, you just are about the wrong things, them.
Because I know say you.
You mean what? First you just come and me tell them about liar, what about me they with liar. I'm going with you and go, man, go kiss your wife. I don't want to kiss him. I'm ignorant about now. You see? I mean, I understand, you know. You see the time when you stand up as a man, and I can show the woman say he's a man that day there, me go start up respect it. But you know, act like you're a man. First one before they call me bitch and they
No. I tell you, that was a mistake. I mean, I tell you, I'm sorry for the phone. I tell you, I'm sorry, but just under the situation. Babe, later, here come what you call me.
I dirty woman, come on, talk about black. Me black and me beautiful. What is our problem?
Later, here.
Yeah, take
This
care
one
of
goes
yourself.
out to my special babe.
Me not call it, but me lie when me call your wife.
Baby, thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know it's not easy. Dealing with a mess like me. Thank you for not giving up on me. Baby girl, I know that it ain't easy. Dealing with a mess like me. There are days I know you felt like giving up.
Yeah, go on.
I'm a general.
Good while I'm not seeing you, brother.
A man like you, me no see good while like you are going with beer things.
Brother, I say, yo, beer things are going with me. Not even me are going with beer things, brother. But I tell you, because you know I want still for certain circumstances where, you know, me kind of I play the game. You know what I mean? But the game I'm going like you want to play me, you know.
Eh.
Yeah, man. You can, you know,
Come round, my friend. I am most of my come round.
brother, yo, stand, I say no.
Sorry, sir.
Come on, show me how to do your work. Them not really, I do not, yeah.
Yo, come round, don't listen to me. Give the medicine. Come round.
Yo, now, brother,
Give the medicine. Come round.
Run me, go run him.
One is there, I'm going to let's see, my friend.
Let's see, let's go.
Let's see.
Wow, tell you story. Yo,
Oh, go on.
what more coming in here, boy? Fear woman, Marika, see? You feel say she boost up certain vibes where, you know, I'm not a liar. I feel like I should tell for my wife what I'm going with Jessica.
You know, I say for your woman a good girl smartly, you know, but watch out, you see for my girl too, I want to look at corruption smartly, you know. Yeah, man, I want to listen, me now. I want to me all tell her, say, oh, you might use the emote too much. I be a chat, me I go on road and I hear people a chat. And I tell me be things about her and then sit and get to my brain bad man and I talk to her about it, you know. You know, she look at me and say, nothing like that, man, nothing like that. Me and my boss close. This and that and this.
Let me tell you what go down. You know, so she and for my wife, go down and Jessica go give him some lick. Nearly pick the one that nearly lose the pitney, brother.
Yeah, some kind of foolishness.
Brother, that me I say, cause now man, if my wife no boost like that, she's a coward. You understand? I'm just call me say.
So a boots in.
Me feel say a boosting. Someone you talk to her, brother. I make sure you know say.
Brother, between me and you, I talk to Marika go, talk to Marika come. And this is true, I know for me pitney, I can't just take her up in a hand certain way. Because what? I don't want to hear say me a beat people pitney and I don't feel me. So you know me just want her and talk to her, tell her, so watch you know, her mouth I go put her in a problem. And watch you know, come like say, all me I tell her say her mouth I put her in a problem.
Nah,
come like say, nah, like he is no boy.
Brother, right now, no, you don't understand what I'm going.
You
don't understand. You don't understand myself. Because you know, we really the two of them, same way. Me really more than none. And then also, this one I got pregnant, and you know, say for my wife, she can't pick me, brother. So it's that kind of really jamming more. If you just want everything to work out. You understand?
Brother.
Yeah, no later, brother. Half a year, then I rake up and I rake next half a year. Tell her that.
Nah, man, 3 months. Yeah, tell me, brother.
Too lazy.
Little bit. So you go on sometimes. Sometimes you
I'm not changing, man.
not change. I mean, I try reasoning sometimes. Come like say I get worse. But what me I say now, your girl now about something like that. Tell my girl about her certain. I never can knows. My girl can knows to hear about certain way. And you know, say a long time I want to say for free, but I true me not see as me I tell him, not see you. Because yes, I hit me a try she say he's a busy man. Me not see you none talk.
That I think.
When I glimpse, me always glimpse, you know. Listen, no medicine, man, no medicine, my science stay. In like this, that's why I take up a rake. And you see when you're forward, you know, so comes in just grab it. Because I want to know where we're there and where we are reasonable. That's you know, just so far, man, from we over there, so become we over here, so here with business. Science stay.
Man for the man, but I say that.
Science
But yo,
stay.
brother,
Style me, you know.
try to see if I can talk to Marika first. That me I say right now. Because she needs to understand herself. You understand? Because even if my wife I talk about shit, say she want.
I'm not talk about.
Wrong way to talk about.
But you know, go on, man, a while ago, me ask you a question, you David Milson, and then you
So you can't talk to
go on, fire yourself, man.
And this man I make talk to man for you.
Yo.
But you know, me are willing.
Yo, wait talk. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, me are going to
brother, me
Yo,
can't
we know to
understand.
talk to girl them.
Yo, me listen now.
Yo, brethren.
Yo.
Me are willing to. Watch out.
Yeah, we talk.
Check me, come on, me are there around the bar around same place, so you
Yeah.
normally link.
I like you know different from my brother.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Woman traveling with friends so far from to reach us up. Why on a big man walk this?
say?
Oh, you don't.
I just feel like we just step in your face.
Babe, come now, relax.
Huh?
Just come now, relax. Relax, come on.
Don't touch me.
What do you mean say don't touch her?
Because me not understand, you know. Me not understand. Why is that me buy the car? I still not left the girl alone.
Yeah.
Don't touch me.
So we can't turn up that bed, babe.
Why is that me buy the car? I still not left the girl.
Who say me not girl? Me not go round the back. Me not check her.
What is the way you want?
Listen.
What is the way you want?
At 3 days now, me no for the day when things go on and so forth, me no see her none at all. What you talk about?
Shut up and tell me no lie.
Me not tell you no
My
lie.
is a liar. Don't tell me no lie. You think me I idiot?
Me not understand why you have this mentality to say, me still a girl. Me no love the girl, me no want to do nothing with the girl. What's the matter with you? Everything gone through the gate. Eh? Are you me love babes? You don't know what I already, man. Are you love me too?
Let go my hand.
You don't love me too? Talk to me, you don't love me too?
Me don't know what to say right now.
What do you mean you don't know what to say right now?
Me don't know what to say right now. You see, my mouth all I get lower and out. You know,
That's not exactly, that's not you, baby.
You understand? No, but me wake up with people and pit next door now.
Babe, just relax, man. Come. Just come on, man. Push your foot and relax, man. You're not gonna get a massage. You walk too much, man. Relax, man. Relax.
Check out that dirty filthy.
Yo,
Don't
what the
put
fuck?
that dirty filthy hand on me. Your touch now entice me. Don't touch me.
babe, where you going at right now? Cause we are go round and round like a magic school bus. Me not like that something like, Just relax the man and make you just live happy. Me not want nothing to do with her and me promise you that.
Yeah, one saying say stick to the evil, you know.
So you call evil?
Yeah, one saying say stick to the evil, you know.
Which evil?
Don't jump out a frying pot and jump back in our.
Me not understand what you talk about. Right now it make no sense to me.
Remember me don't
It make no sense to jump in this frying pot.
The girl is gonna be there to your life.
This alive here? No man, that's somebody the foolishness man.
Right.
Eh?
Alright. Go on, man. Are you ready to go on a show?
No, it's me lying on the bed.
No, man. You can't go on the road. I need some time for myself. So go and go drive your car and go on my business.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna buy you some ice cream. And thing here.
You're green all around. I don't eat ice cream. So your girl name ice cream. If you tell me, you know something name ice cream. And you go tell boy you buy me ice cream. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me. Me eat ice cream to you.
Me love son. I sleep vacation on.
I want a seafood boil.
No problem. The card. You card.
Use your card.
No.
I don't give a flying shit. Use go get money. Go out there and go get money.
Stop now, babe. Stop now. We are going to fire situation or something. We go too deep now. This I got to one point where there's no return, like a life and death situation. This I got to. Okay, you not stop. You just go. When you gonna stop this, baby?
Which one way I go and go?
You.
Which one way I go and go? Are you a go and go?
No, I'm done.
Mommy, I go and go. Hey, this is go on, man. Go on. You're just a talk, and me that hurt me. Go on, here you go. Man, let me lose it.
May I use your card? You know something on the money. Something on the back side you come talk about me to use my card. Card run on the money.
Try use my card, you see. Remember, go on my phone and see. I see. 5,000 come on 5. Because that's for my C4 for all. Plus one me one on the side. You see what I'm saying? Just try. Try, you see.
Yeah. Soon come, yeah?
Oh. You can come back here like here. Hello. Parker. Go and check me now. Yeah, me the home. Come in.
Good morning.
Marian. Can't you say you knock the door? Me hear the door knocking up, me just can't answer.
So, your boss, yeah,
I don't really understand what I'm going. Honestly, I don't really understand what I'm going. When I say you're funny, girl.
Your friend's girl.
You know boy, girl. You know what I mean.
Oh, that the girl there?
Yeah, the girl way I take my husband.
Well, I don't know no miss, but I feel like something wrong with the husband. I feel like a tired in time or something. I forgot to find
No,
out
obviously something wrong with him. Because me beat the man. And him still, me beat him. And he still not left from over there so. So me not understand what really a go on. Me don't know what over there so. What he not get over here so. Me don't know whether the girl they are doing, whether the girl they are giving
And
up.
matter of fact, when you see that the girl there, because she not working on, all things she do a little yard and sleep and then when he come in skin out. So I don't know what your husband, probably she do it better than you, I don't know. I truth.
You believe me?
Mm.
You see the body? The body are high class, top class body.
And then you go for your lower class and
You understand? Him are the second man me ever do something with. That for show you how I am not sexually active. You understand?
Miss that now nothing for
So, nothing but, she could use her mouth.
oh, you're
Cause
not
that I want him, and no, don't do that. I don't use my mouth.
Well,
Don't do that.
for
I have something that is very blessed underneath here to use my mouth. You understand? But me love the man. Me love the man till me fool, girl.
you can see.
And me don't know what else me I gonna do. Only thing left to do, I kill him.
Eh?
No, me just say only thing left to do is this man come like he want me kill him.
No.
Cause if
that's
me
not the
busy
part.
me in a year, me talk to him in a year, only thing left for me do is not kill him.
Me gonna kill the woman and do why you want to kill the man?
I am just saying. I am
But
just
It
saying.
makes sense to kill the man because you see when time you're gonna kill the woman and go find one next woman and then I see a problem start again. So kill it what the man do.
Me not understand what I want. This thing just I get on top of my nerves right now. You feel like me I go mad. You feel like imagine
Let's take it easy.
some things are going on me right now. Me myself can't even imagine.
But I realize you're buying back a car. So how often you buying at this time?
My name.
Again.
Yes.
That's wonderful.
My
Brilliant.
name. And camera inside of it.
Eh?
Camera the inside of it.
So you know so when you go pick up a girl.
Eh?
You know so when you go pick up a girl.
No, that is the next thing. Me not understand why the camera black.
Probably you put one shirt over it or your girl panty or some underpants or something because something wrong there so. So you're not checking out your car why camera black?
What should I do? What should I do?
Eh?
What should I do? I just this me call if you ask about if you're not here nothing about her, you know.
No. No, you're not about her. But I know your husband and the phone over there. Good as that. When they?
Me run him home, tell him go up on the road.
But you're an idiot.
Come in, I want to see him.
Sorry if you just say that. Where you selling for the road from? That
So-
means
so-
you want to
Listen.
Because you send him out.
Hear more if you do.
Go ahead.
Cause me go back up on the apartment, you know. Go look for the girl.
What you mean I go back up apartment left me?
Girl, and listen, Arenali. Yes, me go back up there, go look for the girl, and she not there. She move out. So, me no remember if I didn't know. You remember the nosy boy? What did I say if none of we don't want him? Or we go up on the apartment for the girl?
Oh, the brown boy there?
Yes,
Oh,
him.
want
More you
him?
want you to find him. More you find him and ask him say which part the girl there. You know how to do your thing. Ask him which part she move go. Cause we need to find out which part the girl there. You understand?
As soon as we left, someone go do that.
Yeah.
Today, right?
Yeah, but you just can't go ask him say where the girl there. You have to just like.
Miss, I know if you do my thing.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Alright.
Yeah.
So do that for me.
Now I'm on praise. Later,
Yeah, later.
I have some stuff for the right place for them. Remember, you have some papers to sign.
Yeah, might as well just go make you bring them come to me, you know. I'm finally off.
Alright, then we can do that. So, later.
Oh, you find me?
I know, sir. Ask me to the action.
You search me. Me feel special, you know. There's somebody that search me, you know. So what's the code now?
Well, I feel me a beg of you, but
Favor. What kind of favor?
alright. Remember a girl already calling today?
Why? Me I tell you. You know something do the girl a bad though. You want to lick and slap and kick and back so you get the girl me thinking dead.
You never get nothing. You told me to that.
When am gonna have to do the girl some man? Jesus Christ, man, if I didn't jump off I steer and break my foot around, you know. It ain't no sense.
I'll be your friend still when we get to understand.
My friend.
But anyway, you know what she did?
Boy, I tell you the truth, man. From the last time I saw him kick off a piece of jam, my ties up there, I don't see the girl there.
I don't say.
What different though? You look nice though, man. I tell you. Jesus Christ, man, I wonder which way you come on here in the princess. From the day that I admire you, know, you look nice. I tell you.
Alright. You know I can't get the princess now.
What you mean, man?
Get the princess unless you play your cards right.
Me play all cards right, you know. I mean, said floss, straight and cheese.
Alright, so and before them combine, just tell me what she did and I will get anything I want.
Oh God. Yeah, move like a tough, you know.
I won't like me tough.
I don't like you moving, I move like a man. Yeah, man.
Me no man, but just work with the phone, man. What you say? I mean, once you know what she did, you know. Play
Oh, you know, send me know what she did.
because we get to understand it one of close.
So one time you come to see me, you say me and her close. Why Jamaican people stay so? Everybody they will see you girl, they say you're your friend or your woman.
They never
You can't judge a book by cover and you have to go in a hit. How what you try do? I friend I try to frame me. I don't know nothing. I don't know what she did, I don't know what she turned.
Yes.
Man, I don't know nothing, you know. That me I try to tell her.
Alright. You see, if you don't tell me, I will ever move, me blow off this thing.
But tell me now, at this you really end up to some my life you want to take.
Yeah, go tell me what she did.
Alright. You know what I say? You know, we up my mother yard up on one corner and I want to park, and I want to corner, I want to park.
But
I wrote this so she
understand
there,
that
you
the
know. Me saying,
information
you
there.
my mother, when I want to corner.
I understand the information there.
Me saying they're alright.
Can me wish part she did.
Hmm?
Can me wish part she
If you
did.
care about you want to kill me, yes.
Bro, I'm not gonna do nothing. So I'm coming so sick.
All you did with me, you know.
Move.
All you did with me, you know. You know, say I did with me because you know me like and you like me. That's say I did with me, so.
You know I think
You know.
so yeah make me have to go through it.
But you know, as I step on the street, I can't really give people information like that, you know.
Then come lead the way, man.
So you lead the way, you know.
Oh, me for lead the way, man, and me I go.
Come on.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
So Miss Rock can tell what me mean by, eh? When you come to beach, you come to look, man, eh? So where you at that beach?
I come to enjoy myself. I can't wait till they can't come.
What you mean say me call you, eh? What you mean say me call you, eh?
What you want from me?
What you mean say more from you? That girl don't say me love you. I never know that.
Which one?
Me don't love that one day, you know.
I thought you tell her to say hate
What you
me.
mean say me tell her that say me hate her?
That woman say.
So she said that to you?
Yes, sir. What you want? What this visit is about? Come call you and tell you want to go to the beach. You say you cannot come. So what you expect? So you say you can't come. Me not left my yard at the beach.
As somebody call me and say you over here, you know. Send me other woman over beach by herself. And it look like she a look man. Eh? The man will go beg little water for wash off your mouth. And who him be?
I don't know the man.
When me say don't know the man?
Come if you know him from me, see the water in my pipe. Somebody say me I beg the man to water wash off before. What you about?
No, so style me smartly. You cheat for me?
Yeah, but with you. You have your woman.
You cheat for me?
No, with who?
You sure that?
Who may treat by the way there? With the sea water? You see me?
Yo. Me not get if you not get it. You not get what I want.
What one?
If I try to break me apart, we have a we have a family in your belly, you coming up. You forget that? Eh?
Okay, no, you see, as far as me.
What you want? What you want? You want me what? Me I try to work it up because
I want to enjoy my life. To me, a pregnant lady, my man tell me say, I want to go beach,
Yeah.
So now because you can't come, that means me not go.
But remember say, if we left that the woman there, we dead for hungry. No.
You dead for hungry. Stop saying we. You dead for hungry. Me can't dead for hungry.
A joke this is not joke.
Are you a joke? But you keep on and say we dead for hungry. Oh, me for dead. Me can't dead for hungry. Hello, me think you need to choose, you know. Because me cannot constantly pay this back and forth game. With me and this woman, you need to choose. What you going to do? Make me know what you going to do. Because I can't deal with this no more.
Yo, I be a joke thing this, you know. A joke thing this.
I don't understand them.
Turn up peso.
Ease the moment.
Hold on, I have to take my video.
Wait, do we have no response?
Yes, if you move, blow off head out there, so.
Me nah move at
Right in the public, you don't believe me? If you said that,
Me nah move, man. Just
move and see. Head show. What is a look of dirty rasta boy and I left this and get away and I did nothing? How can I walk this guy in the man? dirty shit, yeah man. Think you go home to see this what now what this rasta boy? Ay! Ay!
Don't listen to me. You carry on.
Yeah, come stand home. I'm ready to go home.
You don't know, you don't know that.
Every woman you tell that,
Every
okay?
woman will tell that, oh, yeah, every woman drive herself. You can't come in the car because if you come in the car wet and she smells seawater in the car, you mean a bigger problem right now.
School tell you if you start man up and the girl.
What mean man up and stand the girl in the face? So
Open the camera and get it.
if me abuse the woman, means a dirty man, and if the technique means a idiot, eh?
Yeah, because you can't say me woman beat you. You clown.
Go drive yourself.
Don't talk to me like that. You can't talk. You can't say like you can't breathe like that.
I say love talk about breathe, eh?
Can't don't walk.
Oh, God.
I'm going to sit down on the outside.
Yes, I take a little breeze, I know.
Alright. But do you find the boy now?
Mm.
I find birds. And he did I give me look how hard then when I see him. So I don't know what I have to do now. I could pull a stone for the boy. Go up on him and say, yo, if you never move me shut off for some ancient time. And tell himself if
I remember you that already.
yeah, and tell himself, tell me what a girl did. You know what tell me? So I say, Cammy. I say, bossy. One time, any boy I walk I go out now, guess who me see? Fear man and fear and the girl come from beach.
What you say?
Yes, I come from beach. We are catch a piece of video. So you don't know what's on me today, the video them bossy. You don't know what's me tell look a dirty boy I say, turn up back at me your son no move as me blow off your brain. Be time me turn on a video them come up on the video. I run off. See video them. Beach then they today. I enjoy the so. But the boy get wet still, but me know if he find him, I know where he live. That easy 1, 2, 3 for the back field. To find out where the girl live.
Well, thanks, you know. Thanks for showing me all that sitting there. Thanks.
No, my pre-man dance. Just take it easy. I guess what? When you get over the phase, you know. Because you're only for work in the office for doing. And we need you. So all of this.
I worry about work and he's also a good woman. So I just not me going now, yeah?
You're going.
Yeah.
You're bossy. Take it easy.
Yeah man, I'm going now,
I'm
man.
there for you now. You can phone for me, you can call for me anytime. There for you.
No. First, pick up yourself.
Yeah.
See me? But no, I take care of this here.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
God no more know why this money are here, so you want too much, you want all, you want lose all. Where you come from? Downtown. No,
Miss
just
me?
ask her, yeah. Let me say all that fragrant.
I have a seafood boil there for you know.
Let's see. So what was I doing?
It was good, man. I tell you, say, me just hate when me there far from you for so long. You know, you kind of feel, feel good. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yes. Well, you know what?
What, baby?
You see tomorrow, me and if you take a trip somewhere, it's a surprise.
Surprise?
Yes.
Mm.
Like we're gonna go out.
Mm.
Like we're gonna go around a fireplace. We are gonna, enjoy the view. We're gonna surprise them with a lot of gifts. You understand? Yes, we.
Oh God, I'm excited.
Because from when I'm not to know I'm just run up and down and I have to just sit down and look into myself and say, no, me love me baby, me can't just I have to take it easy upon him.
Yes.
You understand?
It's
so
about that time now.
yes, so
Time come.
time come.
Time come, baby.
And there'll be an end, You always have that saying.
Yeah, man, of course. Because
Yes.
sometimes in your life you have to really end certain things. Coming like you end the vibes now. To every beginning there's an end. You understand what I say? So,
There's always an end to everything,
It's sweet, man. Like, we really appreciate how you sound. You sound like you're really up to certain things where, go make the relationship.
Give me a hug, give me a hug.
Oh, come on. Come on, go tight, no?
Other side, It's very sweet.
I'm gonna say you're colonial.
Yes.
I feel like we have to use it today.
Too expensive, right?
Too expensive to be. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. So.
But you ready?
Yeah. I'm not lying. I know you might bet to me, but I end up spend and buy 2 seafood, but matter of fact 3, cause I'm kind of extra hungry and things. So I eat half one when I check my bridging, and then I end up when I left out now, I get extra hungry and I eat that for next one. So if you see the thing come up on your email, just know say that
15,000.
17.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Oh.
Alright, you sure, baby?
Yeah, I know you have to eat because actually I feel I want to work out now.
Work out? Alright, no problem, babes.
Yes, so.
Woo! I tell you, God, make sure you feel good for now, say. You finally just get over the whole she. Can be done with her now. I don't love her, I don't need her. And you me need, you me love, and only you alone are my number one. You understand me? I say? Yeah, man. Priority, baby. Alright.
Yes, so you're ready to go inside?
Come on.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on.
Tell me something.
So this trip
journey.
for so
When we can make my compass so far in the bushes.
Babes, you know that sometimes we have to go extra miles. Remember say how long now we not go for one little honeymoon, You understand? And we have to go through the adventures, right? Right, babe?
It's been a while.
Yes, babe.
It's up, so.
Me just like more come out and get some breeze, man.
Love you.
I love that too.
Love you so much. You have no idea.
Yes.
Put on the ice mint.
You know how long, you know how long I want me to go on far place. Go experience the pretty trees, the pretty leaves. Yeah,
Ice mint date.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, so, coffee.
Babe, me tell this. Me done with Jessica. You hear me? Me done. I'll never. This is it. From this day, I will never ever go back over Jessica yard. Our business about the baby.
I know.
You understand?
I know.
You know?
Yes.
You trust me?
Yes.
Oh my
Yeah, we
God.
just trust me. Say, you're one and only,
Yes, baby.
So, Nothing can come between me, right?
Never.
I love you. Never
Leave
fail
ya.
you.
Easy.
Yeah, but be
Hmm?
different that I have a surprise for you. Come out.
Come?
Come out, I guess. Yeah, me have a surprise. Yes. Close the eyes. Open your eyes. Look at this.
This one!
Yes.
Very special surprise.
Very
Mwah.
special.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you.
Love you too much.
Put it in the car, baby.
You know that this Hennessy, right? You have to just enjoy it and how long me not take a shot. You understand? Because
No, hold on. Babe. No, me understand why you come out here now. Me feel so good.
Yes, what as what I was saying, you know that this Hennessy can be a very little loss. You know, it's a small one, but it can be a loss, right?
Can we be last?
Yeah, like last drink.
Last drink.
Yes. How you feel?
I feel happy, but me like
Hey,
it
but
last.
look on the trees. Oh my God.
Nature, baby.
How you feel?
Me a shape, baby. I tell you, me just.
Oh.
It's just. Yo.
Yeah. Look there, up in there, so look.
Me know it, man.
Like them little house over there, so.
Yeah, we do it.
So hold on there. You feel like say, you don't be fooled forever. Eh? You feel like say, don't move. You feel like say.
Babe.
But what me say? I say, don't move. Cause if you move,
Jeez. No, just take a gun out of your face,
me
please.
say, you feel like say.
What is for babe? Is it a
You
surprise?
could not tell me if you eat that all days of your life. Hey, don't move. Put on pen here.
Please. I beg you. Think about this,
Yo,
babe.
flick
Babe.
out this stuff.
Babe, just think about this now, please.
You see?
Please.
Go! If you touch me, pawn you. Hey,
I beg you. Just think about this.
you ever get a kick in your face? Eh? Eh? You think me not know say? You think me not know say? You have chat with the girl. Eh? You think me not know say? You want the girl more than how you want me.
Babe.
And what's all the girl? Hey! Shut up your mouth and make me talk. So the girl pregnant, you feel like say me a mule. You love her more than me. Eh? Me say come back yourself. Oh, me say take up and shut you. Me say if I ever take up your hand, let me shut you. Oi, black chat. You see? Now when me realize it. I never tell her say the end is going to be a last trip.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
I
baby.
never tell her.
Babe, I'm sorry.
Eh?
And this will never happen again.
Shut up! Me don't want to hear no sorry. Shut up. Ball to God, no ball for me. Me say shut up. Shut up before me you want me clap you.
Alright.
Shut up. You see for when? Come here. Where you gonna give me and give?
Nothing.
Eh? Nothing? Alright, you see?
Babe.
Jessica? Hello? What is it? Good evening. Then also come to talk to you about something.
What's that no? You come on me here there, you freaking violate me. You want to come talk to me about something now?
No, I look come to squash.
Alright.
You can come out here and me talk to you. Talk on here.
You can't rather stay here.
Alright. Miss, me not do nothing.
But me not afraid
Me not
of you.
do nothing. I be, me know you're not afraid of me, but I be
Miss,
backlash
me
over
tell you
there.
something.
So.
You see? I tell you something before you even say nothing. Right about now, me I live for me and my child. You understand? Me not busy about you and your man. So where you say, where you could have
No,
want
me
from
sister,
me?
you live here and your child, but me just come to talk to you. You understand? So this whole thing, I want you to squash between me and you. Because it don't make no sense. You understand? How we a live, it don't look good. You understand? So, me just come to tell us, say, what go on, what do you do with me and my friend come for you? I'm so sorry about that. You understand? Because really and truly, you know, you see, our man, me just kill our man.
What?
Me just kill
So
our
what's your
man.
question? Yep.
Me say, me just kill our man.
So you just
So the
kill our
confusion gone.
So you come to kill me
understand?
now?
The confusion gone.
So why you
So
come
here
here with a
what?
gun?
Why you come here with a
Yeah.
gun? You know why you come here with a gun?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you I see, I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you I see, yeah, I see you. I know this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say I need you. I just hope you will act